This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today.
$100 or something.
Yeah, I thought he promised to give him $5,000, but then didn't do it or something. Maybe after a while he finally gave it to him.
It was like, I think it was it was a lower amount, and then when he finally gave it to him, Naybar was like, "Whoa, okay, Patrick," and so he started giving away. Naybar started giving away free accounts as soon as that money came through. No, actually, what happened was Patrick sent him. Maybe it was only 500. He sent it to him, and then he retracted it somehow.
Yeah, I remember that. Yeah, I was watching Nutty back then.
I was too, but I not so closely that I caught all the drama.
Yeah,
well, I think
a lot of drama there.
Nutty was kind of saying that he was trying to push the drama a bit to get his channel out there. And Patrick took it and jumped on it, and it was interesting, but it definitely blew his channel up. But
yeah, same. He did that to what? Tory Trades, or was it Tory
oh
Trades?
my God, I've seen 100 videos about her in the past week. I told Mike, I said, all you gotta do is make a video about some Tory Trades, man. You guaranteed a couple thousand views.
No. You haven't seen 100 videos. You've watched that one video 100 times. Is
that what it was?
I think that's what it was.
The one with the white T-shirt.
The one with the white T-shirt. I still can't find it again.
There's a bikini one also.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that'd be good. White T-shirt contest. Why trend lines don't work, Tory.
All right, guys, I gotta go start a stream.
Yeah, well, I don't even know how to set up the cameras here. We're in the public room, and now that we're side by side instead of vertical,
we're staying in the public. You want to stay in this room, or
you
going to join us for the stream today?
Yeah, I can't. I can stay till like, I could stay for like at least an hour.
You were up late, eh? I checked in Joker's just for 2 seconds last night at like 3 in the morning because I was working late. And you and Joker were still there. I said, holy shit.
Oh, yeah. So I had this.
I can't believe you're awake now. But then again, I can't believe I'm awake now.
Profit that was the take profit was gonna renew, so I had to pass it, and I passed it, but I passed it by too much. They sent me I logged in, and they said. So what happened was, and I tried to reach out to a couple of people to find out. Joker was one of them, but he wasn't responding. I like sent him a text message, which I've never done. He just said, "Hey, in case of emergency, just take my number, and if you ever get into some problem, just text me."
Hey, good morning, James.
Like, so
Hi, guys. Good morning.
Like,
sorry, James, didn't see you there. Go ahead, Wood.
I passed my account. So I passed my take profit, but I knew that I violated their 50%. Your profit, right? Can't be more than 50% of 3,000. But then when I was reading on their site, it said, if you do it, then that means, and they gave an example. It was like, oh, your total profit was 1,100, and then you made 2,000 in one day. That means you need to make another 900. So I was like, oh, okay. So I did that very thing, and then I was like, so I just need to make another 900. So then I made another 1,000 yesterday in the same day. So I ended up making like $3,300 in the day, or no, it was more than that, like 4,200.
Yeah.
And then they red flagged me, but the account was going to renew. This is the account like I didn't remember that I bought, sadly, and so I only had 9 days to trade it before it renewed.
Okay.
and I was almost there twice, and then it went down too far, and then I was like, oh man, it's the last day. So I just went for it, passed it, and then I realized what I had done. And then I read on their site, and I was like, oh shit, that means now I need another 1,000 according to them. But what they mean is like you have to do it the very next day, not the same day. And I did it the same
You
day. So
have to do it the very next day. You should be able to do it whenever you do it. What is it?
well,
Do it then
yeah,
the very next day.
whenever you do it, right? Yeah, whenever you do it. But so, anyways, I got
You guys were live. Mike, you
70%.
live?
I don't think I'm
Left you,
live.
right?
I'm not sure.
Got it. Ruin, good morning. Skeletor, good morning. Bama, good morning. Woodchip, good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good
Live
morning.
with
Good
Mike from Futures
morning.
Floor and Woodchip joining us for a little bit.
My wife sends me a message. I love you and have a good day.
Oh,
that's
tell her we love her too. And have a
Yeah.
good day.
Wait, there's more. You guys want to hear it? Gets a little
nice.
spicy.
I'm not sure.
Uh-oh.
A little
Ooh.
spicy, a little and you didn't come to sleep in bed last night, bad boy. Thing is, I worked till 3 in the morning on
3 in the morning?
Yeah, till 3 in the morning, and then I don't know, what did I do? I went and lied down on the couch, watched some videos. Actually, a really good video on manifestation. And you guys ever hear of, okay, we'll talk about it later. Markets are opening in 2 minutes.
Y'all need to learn to go to bed.
I got some crazy stories for you guys. Remind me, it's called Dark Retreat. It's crazy. It's my one. Oh, well.
I slept.
Yeah.
I slept a bit.
So you must
Mike
have
just said that he was up
yeah.
Joker all night.
No, that's midnight for him.
Oh.
That was, but
Yeah.
remember, his midnight is
Yeah.
still 3 a.m. for us.
Oh, okay.
His midnight is still 3 a.m. for us. It's 5 in the morning now, or no, it's 6 in the morning now for him.
That's
I got
right.
like
You're
4 hours.
on the West Coast, ain't you?
Yeah.
We're not
Yes.
opposite times of the times. What time is it there now?
6:30.
6:30.
In the morning?
Yeah.
Yeah.
In the
I gotta go back to
morning.
bed.
He's not in Greece. What do you mean in the morning?
I gotta go back to bed.
Isn't Omnius, isn't that when you wake up? I mean, you have kids. You must wake up at that time.
Why?
Don't you? Because you have
Oh,
kids.
yeah, I'm scrambling. Good morning, Skeletor.
Yeah, I normally wake up about 6:37.
Yeah. I mean, it's kind of automatic after many years of the early years.
Let me get him a few up.
Yeah.
Markets open in 30 seconds.
What are we gonna do today? Are we gonna rip down to rip up, or are we gonna rip up to rip down?
We do have news at 10 o'clock.
Yeah,
We
jolts.
did, yeah,
Is the
we did.
jolts job report gonna jolt the market?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Tomorrow we got some heavy hitters on the calendar, I think.
Yeah, look at.
Got some updates.
PMI. Yeah.
Updates on my copyright today. Talk about that. Still deciding what route I want to take.
Okay.
I did message the people yesterday.
Connections. Bulenox.
Talk
did you
about
really?
that later.
Yeah. And remember, Dark Retreat. Dark Retreat. Dark Retreat.
We'll talk about Mike's dark retreat on the couch. Don't know what all that entails, but I'm kind of scared of that conversation. But
Was
Yeah,
it
what
a
do you-
couch or a recliner?
No, it was on a couch.
Was it
on
a
a couch.
wait? Was it a love seat?
It was
Mike's dark retreat on a love seat.
Mike's Dark Retreat on a love seat, yeah.
I don't know, guys.
Oh,
Am I
You might
gonna
need to
get...
put an age restriction on this conversation.
yeah,
Push
how's that
lower.
been going? You guys got to put $1 in the jar every time you swear? Or what's going on?
No, that's not working out. We're doing our best, but
It's a work in progress.
I think we forget all the time.
I think we've come a long way. Mike thinks we haven't come far enough.
Oh boy, there's a joke over there.
We make jokes about how sensitive
Everything.
people are.
Everything. I'm gonna get a short trade. I just got triggered into a short trade. Let's go. 94, getting down to 94, 94 minus 7. I don't know. Can someone do the math? 87, is that it? 87 bid? 87 bid. There we go. 83. Fill me, you pecker. I'm at 83.50. Come on, come on. That's much better. That gave me 11 points. Thank you very much.
You can't say words like that.
Pecker? No, Woody Woodpecker.
Yeah.
2-minute
Don't
opening
wheel at me
range.
right now.
2-minute opening range alarm. Lots happening. Lots happening. It's fast and furious on the open. At least it always is for me.
What is the 2-minute opening? What are you talking about? 2-minute opening range.
For me, it's the first 1-minute candle that closes outside the 2-minute opening range. The 2-minute, the first two candles.
Oh, okay.
Omnius's clock somehow on Ninja Trader is major screwed up. I just got another short trade at 94 again. I'm in at 92, unfortunately. I'm going to add here at 400 and hope I don't get screwed. I already got screwed by bid.
I feel like every time it comes to me, things get complicated. Mike, you ever feel that way?
I always feel that way. Life is never easy for me. Let's go. Let's go. Don't MFFU me.
What did that statement mean?
Yeah, wait.
A lot of people have an aversion to my funded futures.
Oh,
They say
shit.
like,
Mike, did you just short into the VWAP?
Yes, I did.
I'm not going to say anything. Nobody noticed.
Yeah, I think a lot of people noticed. Damn. That's my, you know what, MFFU? I can't get over 51,000. Every time I get to 51,000, I get slapped.
Okay, I get it now.
Yeah, I got MFFU'd. Okay, so I'm on tilt now.
No, not yet.
oh yeah,
I am. I'm on tilt. I'm telling you. I know it. I'm self-aware. So,
where's the clicker?
oh no, those were valid trades. I mean, I oversized a little bit, but now I'm on tilt. I'm down 400, which is okay. I mean, it's my PDLL is 300 on the 50K accounts, but I'm officially on tilt right now, so I'm gonna go back because this is where I can cause a lot of damage. Tomorrow's a new day. I'm gonna pull up. I have Apex evals. Let's go to an Apex eval. Isn't it great to be self-aware, though? Honestly, I'm not saying that facetiously. You just feel it. So I said, okay, screw it. Screw it. 460 is recoverable in a day or 2 days. But blowing the account, no way. No more blowing accounts. Never mind a bunch of accounts in one day. No more even blowing one account in one day.
No, 460, that's nothing.
Yeah.
That's a day or two.
Yeah.
What about yesterday? Did y'all see those runs yesterday? I know y'all traded that.
Wow, that was 3
It was
losses.
just giving money away.
Yeah.
Everywhere.
I don't even remember.
Straight down.
My head wasn't into it yesterday. But today shit.
End pattern. Straight up, straight down, and then
Yeah, it was perfect.
Yeah, there's been a lot of seek and destroy. I know you put that term in my head, seek and destroy, Woodchip. There's been quite a few seek and destroy days, and what I mean by that is you make a low, you make a higher high, then a lower low, and then a higher high, and I say, oh my God, they're killing the breakout traders.
Bring it up on my chart. Just look at the chart, and you just got up, just buy, down, sell, sell, up, buy.
Yeah.
Little sideways action. Might have messed you up around 230, and then just buying from there. Literally just follow the trend, and they was throwing money at you everywhere you turn.
I tend to think of the seek and destroy as it creates a high and creates a low, and then it runs for that high, but it never gets there. It misses it by a
Okay.
little bit, and it totally screws everyone over because you're thinking, I'm gonna take it out, we're almost there, and then it doesn't. Then it goes the
Yeah.
other way, and it doesn't take out the low either, and it just kind of ping pongs and just screws everyone. This is like a terrible day to trade, seek and destroy.
Kind of the
Yeah.
barcoding range day.
Yeah,
Yeah,
but
well,
it can be a large range. It can be a large range. That's the thing. And
for me,
it'll
I'm talking about a barcoding day where the range keeps widening. Like, you know, makes a low, makes a high, then a lower low, then a higher high, then an even lower low, then an even higher high, and it's like, oh my god.
Well, that's pretty good to trade though, because if you're going for the low and it takes it, then that was your target anyway.
Yeah. Problem with me is
But
a lot of
the
times
breakout traders, yeah.
if it's not a wide enough range, that's what ends up getting me in long or getting me in short. We didn't do the pre-market analysis, eh? We didn't get to it. Let me take a quick look just quickly on the half an hour. The half an hour, we're above the Asia session. We never traded below it. We're kind of above VWAP, and we're kind of above, well, we're not kind of above. We are above VWAP. We're above previous day's close. We just did a gap fill. So I'm kind of
What do you have to
bullish.
close at?
23,379.
Okay, I got to open at 74. So they're pretty tight.
So overall, I'm kind of bullish. Doesn't mean we'll go up, but they'll probably try and find a way to shake out longs before they do the real move if it is a bullish day. But
Doesn't mean we won't go up, huh?
No.
We do have a gap on the hourly and the 4 hour, I think. And might come down, fill that gap. Looks like we're about halfway through it now. So anywhere between here and maybe the 23,340. Might start reversing. We're also at the 5-minute moving average, so it could be a good spot.
I'm curious to see. Yeah, I'm missing so many things up on my charts now. Now that I put up the Renko from daytraders.com.
And the market likes to dump first thing in the morning for 10, 15 minutes and then spike up. So we got to recover some of that large move this morning. I think at like 2 o'clock.
Yeah.
The market likes to dump and then spike. And we're at the VWAP, the open, and the 5-minute moving average.
New York session typically shadows London,
Order
but
filled.
not right away. But like what you're saying,
Order filled.
It could drop a little and then gonna probably rip upward and shadow what London did from exactly 2 o'clock.
Well, we did drop. We dropped 65 points.
Yeah, it's a good drop. It's a good pullback. Is what I would say. Pullback is good.
Order filled.
I don't know why my computer's kind of running slow today.
My
I
computer's
got a lot of stuff open, but it's open every day.
Looks like we're bouncing off the previous day's close pretty nicely. We didn't close below it.
I'm using like 90% of my CPU. I don't know why. I haven't seen that in a long time.
Funny. Because I'm having the same problem. I'm usually around 50, 60 max.
Yeah, me too. That's weird.
Today's not bad. 63.
Might have to shut down the charts we opened.
I'm thinking too many scenes. That's what I'm thinking. I have too many scenes with too many sources in there. Maybe it's all been loaded into memory. I have no idea.
Kill that one. I can do without it.
So what are you trading now anyways? What chip? You're with one firm, 2 firms, 3 firms?
I'm I've pledged to never buy another Apex account after.
Okay.
Well, with Top Step, or I'm sorry, not Top Step, Take Profit, I just realized that because they have end of day trailing, your actual trailing stops at 50,000, but it doesn't with Apex. So if you run up an Apex account
I
to
thought Apex did.
50,000, as far as I know, from what I've experienced, is that when you run up Apex to
Order
53,000
filled.
and say you keep trading it, not that you would, but if you did, your trailing drawdown is above 50,000. It's not at
You're talking on
50,000.
an eval or on a PA?
And take profit. Either one.
No, I wouldn't.
Or
It
take
stops.
profit. It stops at 50,000.
Order filled.
Yeah. No. It stops at 50,100 on Apex. It doesn't follow. Not on the PA. Maybe on
Yes,
an
but I
eval
thought-
because the eval. But yeah, no. It stops at 50,000.
Oh, yeah. So it's kind of
What?
interesting because take profit is a little harder to do the evals versus Apex because you can just do it in
So
a
many
day,
great
but
firms coming
not
out
good
and
Mhm.
training
getting
for the
more
real event.
momentum. I don't see Apex as one of the leaders anymore. I don't know why anybody will think they've kind of lost their edge and they need to step up
No,
again. And the guy that made
Or
email
Apex,
that they sent me. And
the guy that made Apex a great firm, has a new prop firm, and I would suggest checking that out. What's it called? Day Trader.
Yeah, it's the one that I'm
Order
using now
filled.
on Project X.
Mm-hmm. So that's the original guy that did the whole Apex
Order
thing.
filled.
Kind of blew everything
Order
up.
filled.
They seem to have a lot of cool stuff, so I would check out something like that.
well, the intraday trailing drawdown on any firm is absolute bullshit or BS. Sorry, keeping it clean. For the
Yeah.
channel.
No. Trailing drawdown. I hate it.
Order filled.
Intraday. That's
Yeah.
so stupid.
Yeah. It is.
But with
it is.
most
Order
firms,
filled. Order
most
filled.
firms give you an
Order
extra
filled.
$500 for that trailing drawdown. So I think if you're a scalper or you take smaller trades, I think you probably want the trailing
Order filled.
drawdown, as opposed to if you're taking 100-point trades, then you probably want end of day.
Mm. The great thing about end of day is I don't want to use the word exploitable, but I'm going to use the word exploitable. It's exploitable because if you get yourself a little bit of a runway, you get yourself some green, you can swing for the fences and just risk your profits and not have to worry about it affecting your drawdown.
Right, but at the same time,
Yep, exactly.
they have to adjust for that, so they're going to charge you
Give you
more money
less.
for the account, and you have less of a drawdown.
Yeah, they give you 2,000 usually.
So it's normally 2,000 instead of 25, and it's normally twice the price for the eval and the pro account. Not
Yeah.
twice for the pro, but a little bit more.
Well,
Yeah, but
look at.
take
Go ahead. Woody,
it as
Woody, I'm calling you Woody. How did I start calling you Woody?
and you're
What are you saying?
you're all in. Take profit is only $109. That's fine by me.
Yeah, I
I'm
don't
just saying that
know.
it's only $109.
I
all
know, but you
in,
got to pass
and
it in a
that's
month. You got to pass it in a month, and I didn't do it. I didn't pass it in a month, and we did the competition, and a lot of people
Yeah,
failed.
but
It's much better to pay $17 and then pay the one. I'd rather pay an extra one. I'd rather pay 130 plus 17
I
than pay
bought one and I
100 and
forgot
100
I
and
bought
100.
Right. So if you're paying $109 every month, that's adding up
I
quickly.
forgot.
Yeah,
Order
Mike
filled.
Mike
Yeah, I
Stunts.
forgot I had one, and I
Order filled.
I had to do it in 9 days before it renewed, and I did it, but I violated their rule on the last day yesterday.
Yeah. Mike Stunts is
But
passing quickly.
I'm gonna let it renew because I'm at like 54,000. So, oh yeah, I mean,
If you-
size matters.
If you can
Yeah,
do what Mike, if you can,
That's what she said.
if you can do what Mike does and pass it in a week, it's one
Yeah,
story. But
totally. I mean, she
if
did.
you're going slowly
Order
at
filled.
$100 a day,
That's true. I bet I was that person for a
Oh,
long, long
shit.
time. But
Okay.
if you got a trade and you know it's your trade and you see it coming in, why are you going to do it with one micro? That's all I'm saying.
Mm,
Especially if it's an eval. But if you scalp a lot, then I understand. Because you're up, you're down, you're up, you're down, you're up.
you're up,
down.
then you're down. Your belly's gotten
But if you
round.
find one trade, 30 points, just
94.
30
Yeah, you guys catch
too
those
many.
trades. Yeah, you
Which
guys
if you
catch
keep
those
cutting
trades.
in and out, I don't know if it
Yeah, cell
sounds
phone.
like
I'm
that's a
assuming.
mic. Oh, you on a cell phone? You sound like a robot.
That was funny. Yeah, wood chip, that was hilarious. You there was no words there. That was just bum 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 bum. You're
But
underwater.
right after I said you keep cutting out.
I do?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you driving? Is that possible?
How about now?
Yeah,
No,
better.
no,
Now we hear you.
Okay. Yeah, I just connected to the Wi-Fi. I didn't realize I wasn't on it. Sorry.
Okay.
We got news in 12 minutes.
Yeah.
Forget what we were talking about. What sent me into robot mode, but
Yeah. But anyways, yeah, I'm not a bit, everyone's touting, lowest cost. Yeah, lowest cost. But there's a caveat if you pass it in 1 month.
Yeah. I just don't think for most people that's the route they want to go.
Yeah.
And most platforms now, they offer all those options.
You know what? I'm sure statistically and mathematically, if I ran it by GPT, it would say that it's mathematically less expensive to go in for $30. Again, assuming it takes you approximately 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks to pass an account. If your mic stunts, and you're showing that you can pass an account in 4 days, it's a different story. So, there's not a depends there, but it depends on all, it all depends on what you can do. There we got our first close below the previous day's close. And then we jump right back up.
Wasn't a bot
I had
trade, but come
3
close to my
jump
take
back.
profit and jumped out because we're
two-
close to news.
Mm.
You're saying what
I
you?
have 2 fundeds and it's been over 25 days. I've had 2 fundeds.
Sweet. I say most people blow it like the first week.
Mm.
But yeah, or first day. I've done that. And it's a game changer now. I'm not trading the way I used to. I'm
So if you get a
much
funded
more
account,
responsible, but
if you get a funded account and you just don't trade the first day, statistically you'll do better than the majority of people.
Mm.
yeah,
Well, it's kind of like every New Year people do a diet, right? And they say like most people will fail their diet in 2 weeks. So just wait 2 weeks and then start your diet. You don't beat the majority of people. See how statistics work, Mike?
Yeah.
You gotta put the odds in your favor.
Well, we were just talking about that with the coin flip.
Yeah, you don't start a diet on New Year's, man. You wait until like the 10th. Everybody else is failing their diet, and you're like, oh, my diet's going great. I got a new prop firm also.
Oh, yeah, I saw it. Trade day.
Yeah, trade day. They're kind of, I don't know, they're kind of weird on their affiliate thing because it's a whole different site, I think.
Okay.
I have to get you signed up to tell me how to do it. I messaged them a while back and never heard anything. I was like, okay, forget about it. And then out of nowhere, they just messaged me yesterday, and they're like, "Oh, okay, you're signed up."
Hmm.
I'm like, "Oh, I am. I forgot I even applied." They had this whole thing you had to sign out, sign, and all kinds of stuff. I didn't do any of it. I just like Christmas treed it.
542. Let's see it rip. 130 points. Let's go.
Crazy.
probably
Yeah, it
look-
should.
They probably looked at my application, was like, "Was this guy drunk?"
Hmm.
Sure, let's sign him up. But they seem to have some interesting
I only
stuff.
need
So
$2,000 to pass this take profit. I need 2,000 more to overcome the
Hmm.
consistency rule, is what they told me.
Well, it's good. It's gonna put more money in your pocket, anyways. Oh, wait a minute. It's an eval. It's the eval part. Yeah. Okay. Sorry.
Yeah, that's the eval. I'm at 54,500. Crazy that you get punished for succeeding.
Yeah, it
Yeah,
is.
right?
It really is.
oh, well, you did too good. We're going to punish you.
I was thinking about it the other day. MFFU limits me to 10 micros right now on my funded account. And it made me realize, you know what? They should all do that. You know what? Don't limit me on my profits. Limit me on my contracts. That's the best thing. If you're an honest firm, just scale me. Start me with 3 micros. 3 micros max.
Yeah, that's true.
Do what
That's
you can
good.
do.
I like that.
Have a good time. Do what you can do with 3 micros, but 3 micros max. When you get up to, let's say, 2,000 profit, go to 4 micros, 5 micros. Scale the people like that. That's fair.
That's a good model, but prop firm might go out of business.
Well, then you have the
That's why
prop firms that want you to use the same contract size for every trade. So how do you do that?
Oh, I can't do that. I'm always changing size.
Doesn't Apex do that also?
Every day is different. No, they used to. I think they removed that.
Yeah, no. I'm all over the board.
Apex used to be like no DCA.
Wood chip, I was on Apex the other day and I saw a thing. You have to write out your full strategy, and you're not
Yeah,
supposed
I
to
had to
trade
do that.
anything but your strategy.
I told you, send me the link for that. I looked everywhere. I couldn't find that.
It's on their front page.
I'm on their front page. I don't see it.
Yeah, but futures, I sent you that email link, didn't I?
Yeah, I saw
What you
yours. I
sent
saw
me?
yours. But I don't see it on the front page like Omnis is talking
They
about.
really legitimately sent me an email and said, because I accidentally did 5 minis instead of micros, and I would never do 5 minis, but I did it, I set it, and I walked away for an hour, and I came back $2,300 richer, and I closed it immediately. I was like, what the hell? How did I do that? And I realized it was minis. I was like, oh no, they're gonna flag me for sure. And then I got that email, and they were like, we want you to tell us your trading plan, and we want you to send us screenshots for the next 3 days of your trades, and they better align with what you tell us is your trading plan. You better be able to explain it. I'm like, what the hell is this crap?
And I can't even sign into Apex nowadays. Like, you got to use a 2-factor thing, and
Oh yeah.
mine don't work half the time. It's too much work.
What does that
I
mean? It
was in
doesn't
the-
work half the time. Come on. You open up your authenticator app, you punch in the number.
I don't
Seriously?
even remember which one I used.
You gotta, yeah, the thing is, yeah, and that's what I got stuck in. I got in this loop where I couldn't, the authenticator wasn't working.
And they
told
won't
them I
send
was
you
gonna-
another one.
What do you mean they
They'll-
won't send? You
they'll
just
reset it.
download another one. Oh, you guys don't know how to use it. That's all. This is just a case of you guys don't know what you're doing.
No,
I'm sorry.
No,
You have to-
no.
Apex, you have to scan it. And once you scan it, they wouldn't send me another one.
Yeah, they
I had to
do.
go through, like-
Disable it. No, I'm going to cut you off right there. You just disable it and
Oh.
re-enable it. You just disable
You
it and
can't.
re-enable it.
No,
I
I
redid-
agree.
I reset
Why
my
would
phone.
anybody- There's
I
too
re-
many good prop firms out. There's Bulenox, there's Day Trader. I mean, there's My Funded Future. There's just so many great prop firms. Why would, I don't know.
the answer,
I reset
the
my
answer- Just use Google, the Google authenticator.
I tried, mine wouldn't work.
No. But here's the issue.
So
Here's
my
the issue.
Google authenticator
You're not letting me talk.
Yeah,
I'm trying to let you talk. I'm trying to talk to you. There's three of us.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
I should get 1/3. I need a 1/3 of the airtime.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
I redid my phone, so I had to delete my everything, and I knew I would lose my authenticator app, and I wouldn't get it back because it works with the QR code. So what I did is I disabled it. I re-enabled it. I got a new QR code. I did it, put it on my iPad, and then I redid my phone. So yes, you can definitely get a new one. And it's very simple. It took me 3 minutes.
No.
You know how many times I've had this issue with Bulenox?
If
Zero.
you disabled it, that
Zero.
means you were able to log into Apex. If
Yeah, no,
disabled
you log in, you disable it.
How do you log in if you can't?
How do you log in if you can't
log in?
Well,
I was in that fucking loop for 7 days and they wouldn't respond to me, and it renewed multiple accounts. And
Well, I don't get
So
how
was I
your-
the other day.
I don't get how your authenticator app screwed up that you actually scanned the QR code. You had Apex. You had 2FA on Apex, and then suddenly your authenticator app is not working. That would be insane.
Yep.
That's the authenticator app's problem, not Apex. Don't blame that on Apex.
No, it's not Apex's fault, but I told
It is
you
their
when
fault.
that problem- I told
Because
you when
they
that
should
problem
have a
was
solution
happening.
for that. If you're
I
going to
absolutely
implement
told
something that crazy, you need a solution on the front page. Don't say sign in and then change it. How do you sign in if you can't sign in?
I'm
Exactly.
sorry. You're going to call 2FA something crazy? 2FA is
Yeah.
a fantastic security measure.
I disagree.
It's the
Yeah,
same
if it
thing like
works for
sending
you.
a code to your phone.
If you don't
I
get
disagree.
locked out of your account for 7 days in the dark and they don't respond and they let your account-
Exactly.
Well,
I
that's a
disagree.
different issue. That's a customer
I
service issue now.
told you that like a month ago that's what happened to me. I was locked out. I was telling Joker, I was telling you.
Yeah,
Like, I
but
still
everybody.
can't log in.
Yeah, I don't like it either. Unfortunately, everything's going that way. So eventually everything is going to be that way. A lot of government stuff is going that way
Just use
also.
the Google one. Just use the Google Authenticator.
Mine
That
wouldn't
one
work.
works.
My Google one wouldn't work. And that was my
Well,
issue was I was using the
look at
Google
that.
one. It wouldn't work. So I downloaded another one. And then I was like, oh, I used the Google one. So I deleted the other one from my phone.
Yeah,
And
I did
then-
the same exact thing.
Because I was trying multiple different ones, I didn't know which one
Yeah.
I even had. And then
Yeah.
I couldn't even log in to reset anything. So that's crazy.
Wow.
That's too much. And do you
gotta
really
get
want
them to reset
do you
it?
really want a prop firm having all that information and stuff on you? That's crazy to me. I might have to disagree.
Yeah, I didn't
Really?
like it either, and I was super frustrated because I got locked out, and I finally got contact with them after like a week, and they're like, "Oh, we'll reset your authenticator, but make sure that you use the same one." I was like, "Well, I don't even know what this crap is like in the first place. You just implemented it."
9:59, guys.
surprise,
If you're in a trade,
know.
maybe you want to get out.
Yeah, news 1 minute.
I'm
Yeah,
not
that's
even-
I don't know. To me, that's a lot. I don't like it when government sites do the same thing.
a lot of people
don't-
don't like the.
I don't like stuff like that.
It's like, what was the reason they had to do that? Get more
They're
data.
gonna be doing that more and more throughout prop firms.
Do you know how many two-factor authentications I have? Let me tell you.
You know how many I have? 1, Apex.
Well, then your accounts
It's been
are
a
secure.
disaster every time I've tried to use it.
Twitter, Google, Facebook, My Funded Futures,
Don't get me
Alpaca,
started with
Apex, CoinSquare.
How many times has Google screwed me over with their
Yeah.
two-factor, which that was not even the two-factor. It's just send a link to my phone.
10
And of
o'clock.
course, they want another one, so I give them my wife's phone. And every time I get in the loop, they're sending my wife 100 emails. She's like, "What's going on?" I'm like, "I don't know. I'm just trying to sign into Google."
Hmm.
You know what really sucks is I bought Shiba Inu coin and
Yeah,
I don't
Shiba.
remember the password for my wallet.
Oh wow.
Not that it's
I
worth
got-
anything at all.
Yeah, I was about to say, I got some of that. I got it on Webull, and I closed everything on the account except for the Shiba Inu.
Yeah, that's so funny.
What sucks is I looked at it one day randomly, and it was up like $4,000. Not in profit, whatever the price was. and total was 4,000. But I was like, dang, I should take it out, and I had something else to do. I was like, all right, I'll take it out tomorrow. And then of course the next day it was gone. I was like, all right, well, it'll come back. Of course, that's been a while.
Yeah,
So I'll hold it until it's
when,
spiked.
when Elon went on Saturday Night Live and said, "Is Dogecoin
Mike's YouTube not
side-
working? What do you mean?
side hustle or a scam?"
Say that again.
Ruin, do you have it on
YouTube
live
not
chat?
working.
Sometimes it defaults to top chat and it doesn't give chats. I don't know why YouTube does that.
It is funny. It's so funny he says that because I was just checking it with Nightbot and stuff. It really
I see
did
Mike's. Yeah, I see Mike's stream right there, and it seems to be working.
Yeah, but you know what's not working? What's not working is Nightbot for some reason.
Ruin, try to comment on the stream again. Let's see what happens. Make sure you have it on a live chat and not top chat. I don't know why YouTube defaults to that. It's stupid. They do a lot of stupid stuff. I don't know why.
You guys see how many times we hit previous day's close? We only closed below
We're
it
gonna-
once.
Mike,
One,
do you
two,
got any
three,
settings
four,
on your
five,
stream?
six,
Ruin's
seven,
saying that they
8,
can't
9,
chat
10,
on your
11.
stream.
No, there's nothing that, well, the only thing I can say is YouTube is working on my channel. There we go. Ruin number 3. Yeah, I see what's happening. No, he got in a period there, I think. There's that dirt on my screen. No, I think he
Yeah,
put
but
in
how
a
many things
period.
did he try to put that didn't
Yeah, I
go
have
through?
no
I guess
idea.
I don't know.
Yeah, you know what? It is possible because, like I said,
Ruin all good? Okay, buddy.
YouTube is working on my channel, trying to fix the cross-referencing that it's doing. So
YouTube, I'm kind of mad at them too. I was reading their
Oh, boy.
policy,
yeah,
the
that's a whole
shorts
nother
policy
discussion.
yesterday. And even in their shorts policy, they say you will not get a copyright strike for shorts under 60 seconds. And I told you that before. I'm like, it's right there. Like, what are y'all talking about?
Yeah.
Whichever got a
Streamer.
copyright strike yesterday, strike against my channel.
Streamer privileges.
What's the streamer privileges?
Complaining that you don't get like perks when you're like a dedicated streamer. I'm salivating over 542 right now. Like seriously, like a steak dinner.
I don't know. It's a crazy day. I'm not buying over here for now because
It's all sideways. Look at the ES.
yeah, we've been poking.
Nobody watching ES?
Nah, I don't have that anymore now that my Renko chart there is up on the side there.
No, it's just a barcode, man.
I gotta get it up. I gotta get it up. I gotta get
You
up
get it
my
up
I gotta get it up. I gotta get my 5-minute charts up. I gotta finish my setup.
It's a barcode until it isn't.
Oh, Mike was talking about the Grok the other day.
Yeah.
And
Still does it.
Yeah, but was talking about like what are they gonna do about stuff like that? And as I was going to bed last night, I saw Florida's new laws or whatever, like 100 laws they just passed.
Wow.
So they just passed a whole bunch of laws against that.
No kidding.
And second-degree felonies.
Meaning using it or Grok providing it?
All of it.
Oh,
Altering somebody's image.
yeah,
in an
I was going to say
explicit
it's got to be, altering somebody's image.
Altering
what?
it, possessing it,
Yeah.
all kinds of stuff.
Crazy thing is, though, you create an image with a person in it, it probably looks like somebody somewhere in the world.
Exactly.
I mean, we all have twins. So the person
But
goes,
the
hey,
law's
that's my
so
image.
vague. It's like it can't be a known person or an AI or something. And it's like, what? Like, so if you alter somebody's image with AI, you're going to go to prison for 15 years? That's crazy.
Yeah. I'm not moving to Florida. That's it.
Telling y'all, man, Florida's becoming a police state. All my friends love it. They're like, it's so great.
Unpack your bags. Telling my wife, unpack your bags. We're not moving. We're not moving anymore. Put your passport away.
It's funny because everybody I know loves the governor.
I do. I'm a fan. I'm a fan. I'm
And
a
they're
Ron
like, he's so
DeSantis
great.
fan.
He's so great. I'm like, what about this? What about this? They're like, oh, you just don't like him. I'm like,
I'm a huge
Okay.
Ron DeSantis fan. I live in Canada and I have Ron DeSantis posters in my room.
why don't we just all move to China? I don't get it. We're gonna be there soon, you know. We're not
Yeah.
far off from China. We're doing the same things they are doing. We're just doing it at a slower pace.
Yeah, that might be true. Well, I mean, not anymore, but we were definitely doing the same
Wow,
thing.
you're just killing me today.
Go watch a video on the cameras they're putting everywhere. Watching a video on that the other day. It's insane the types of things they're doing.
You're talking China, obviously.
Yeah, right.
Mhm.
Communist nation, right?
Go watch Minority Report. I mean,
Yeah, it's basically, I don't know.
almost like the Star Trek of the
Yeah,
past.
so I don't
that
where
had
you're at.
cell
Have they been
phones.
putting up cameras everywhere, like stop signs and stuff?
Nope.
They're like black cameras with like a solar panel thing on it.
Not in my world. Sorry.
I mean, we've always had the traffic cameras.
No, not the traffic cameras.
The
They're
red
they
light, where
they
take
claim
you
they're
and
for
take
in
your
case
picture.
somebody gets kidnapped or something. They can like track license plates.
That's stupid. I mean,
You're talking already a full surveillance state, eh?
they can track cell phones
Oh my!
already.
Oh, it's so
They
crazy,
know
man!
exactly where you are.
At all times. And
Yeah,
then
I mean,
they're also going off of stores cameras, and so it's a
as
large
long as you
company.
don't.
And
Yeah,
the
but what are you so paranoid about? Are you trying to commit crimes? Like, who the hell cares? I don't care
That's what
they know
I
where am.
always said. I never care. All these privacy people, they're in my who cares? They're
Everybody
invading my
says that.
privacy.
Everybody says
for
that until
Facebook.
it's them and their family.
Yeah, except for Facebook. F them, for reals.
Facebook? Oh, you ain't got no privacy on Facebook.
No, I mean,
You might as
harvesting
well
all your photos out of your phone and everything.
be sending stuff right to the FBI.
Mm.
TikTok same way. I think TikTok in
mind
their
that.
terms, TikTok claims they own everything that
okay
you
with
put
the
on there.
FBI. I'm okay with the FBI. I haven't done anything wrong. They're probably listening right now. I haven't done anything wrong, just so they know.
I haven't done anything wrong. I'm innocent. 15-minute retest, 15-minute opening range retest. I don't know if anybody wanted to get in on that. The pop higher was nice. I wouldn't have taken it before when we just went above by like 6 points, but the last pop was like 20, 21, 22 pops above, 22 points above. So the retest looked kind of nice, and it paid out for 10 points there.
Pop and chop.
Just saying. So why is Nightbot not working now?
You broke it?
FBI.
I have no idea.
What'd you do to Nightbot? I see Nightbot.
Yeah, no, it's not working on my channel.
I see it.
No, you don't. Oh, you do.
You should always fight for a good entry price.
Yeah, just one though. That's it. And then it's just stopped. I have so many more.
Oh, speaking of, let me find that.
You are right. You are right. And there's one. Let me see.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, no, I got the account one. I got I should always fight for good entry. You know what? Let me change it around. The one book I recommend. That's an important one. If you're chasing, you're a jackass. Let's make some changes. Dashboard. You're a jack.
What's wrong with ass?
Yeah, we're gonna call it you're a jack. If you're chasing, you're a jack.
Y'all are weird with these supposed cursing words. How is ass a curse?
I don't know. It's not a curse. It's just not a clean word. There you go.
What if you say butt?
What do you mean? Like, but, like, you know, but I went to the store, but I forgot to buy the.
What if I say gluteus maximus?
I think that's fine.
Why is that fine, but ass is
Oh,
not?
yeah. Look at that. Deal me in. That's good stuff right there.
Working? Did you win?
I won. No, I won.
What chip wins? 168 chips. Woohoo!
It's always 168. I don't know
Yeah,
why.
yeah. It's 1.2 times the bet. The bet's is 140 chips. I couldn't change
How
it.
do you know that? Did you program it?
Well, I know how it's been programmed.
Oh, I see a
But
conspiracy.
wait a minute. You did program it though, right?
Of course it's programmed.
I see a conspiracy.
Yeah, and I lose because I'm like, yeah, I'm not.
So
doing this.
in the program is wood chip loses.
Yeah, pretty much.
Seems like it.
He who subscribes first loses.
Yeah.
There, I said
It
it.
does seem like it because he is the. I haven't seen anybody.
The biggest loser.
Yeah, I haven't seen anybody that gets skunked in Deal Me In like you. Seriously.
You remember that show, The Biggest Loser?
Who was it that hit-
Yeah, it was. It was weight. It was for weight. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Oh,
Who was
that's
it
me
that
in
hit the jackpot?
A lot of people have hit the jackpot already. I can't keep track. Yeah.
People that became anorexic and started going into the bathroom throwing up.
Biggest loser.
Biggest vomiter is what they should call it.
Yeah.
So it's basically just a show about watching people vomit in the bathroom. I remember the show, but I never watched it. I was like, well, that's a stupid show. Who the hell wants to watch that?
Pretty much.
We're back down to VWAP. Wow, what a day. What a day.
Yeah, what a crushing blow to my confidence. That was long.
Well, I hit 2 PDLLs today. One in daytraders.com and one in MFFU. Daytraders.com is how much does it show? Minus 311.
I just don't see anything here. This is
C'est la vie. C'est la vie. It's going to happen, right?
nothing that I would want to partake in.
Yeah. So you're not partaking?
Had bot trade and that was it.
You should
Maybe
partake
that's what
it.
I should have done.
Bama bearish. Before I'd be bearish, we'd have to get below the 5-minute moving average.
Bama bearish. Bama. Bama bearish.
Bama bomb. It don't matter. Maybe it does. I don't know.
Alabama.
Oh, bummer.
It's
Who are we
funny. I
talking
would
about?
think, I don't know. For a minute, I thought he was talking about butter stunts, but then I realized he's talking about Bama.
All right. I'll work on my Bama pronunciation.
I don't know, Bama.
From the South. What do y'all want?
Yeah, and you got a Southern accent, so you should be saying it right. What's going on?
He's
What's going
from
on?
Georgia. Relax.
I'm taking yeah, that's my theory.
You know, I got to hide my location, huh?
Yeah, definitely. You're not wrestling any gators in Florida. Come on. Give me a break.
Wrestling them. We make them pets. Saw a video. There's a guy riding down the road on a gator. Like, that's goals right there.
I've seen some videos of older guys messing with gators and getting snapped.
Mm-hmm.
Well,
I'm like,
I
what
drove
the hell
down
are you
out.
doing, man?
I don't know if you know Alligator Alley, what chip in Florida. I drove down Alligator Alley and I saw people fishing off bridges with gators down below on the bridge. I said, "Really? Seriously? I mean, what if this thing decides to run up the hill, the embankment, get up on the
Oh, God. You think that gator's going to do all that for you?
You never know. He's hungry.
We used to swim in the lake right next to him.
Wow. You're joking.
No. Normally, they won't mess with you unless you're like a really small child.
Yeah.
As long as you leave them alone. They don't see you as food.
I seen those nature shows where they're bringing down gazelles and buffalo and they're not
Alligators?
well, no,
Yeah.
probably crocodiles. It's in, you know.
There you go.
Crocodiles are more aggressive, but generally they're going to leave you alone also.
Yeah.
I mean, I wouldn't let my...
a big Johnny. If you have a big Johnny, then they're gonna come for you. So that's what I'm worried about.
If you have a big Johnny, they know. How do they know what you got in your pants?
They can smell it, I think. I don't know.
Warships out there skinny dipping in the lake, worried about Johnny. What about for some of the fish, man? Some of the fish might bite.
Yeah.
You know, fish do bite, right?
Yes, they do.
Yeah, you gotta watch out for those piranhas.
I mean, not really talking about the piranhas, but even like the normal fish, they'll like come up and like bite you on the leg a little bit.
Mm.
I wouldn't want to be like big old fish biting on Johnny.
I mean, I don't really mind a nibble here and there, but
That happened to a friend of mine on vacation. I think he got swollen or something. And not only that, the guests found out about it and they were asking him how he was doing down there. And yeah, he was, I got an ice pack on it.
At least for great stories about the vacation, huh?
Yeah, it was
ice
funny.
pack jock strap.
Mm-hmm.
Look at this day. Oy, oy, oy.
Yeah, normally the gators will leave you alone unless you're trying to feed them or you're like a small animal.
Mm.
They normally
like
don't see adults.
Who is
as
the
food.
Jack A? Who is the Jack A guy? Johnny Norwood or Johnny?
Oh my God, I loved him. Johnny.
What was his
I know.
Was it
That's his
Johnny
name.
Knoxville?
Johnny Knoxville. I think
There
he's my
you go.
favorite man in the whole world.
Did you see that when he was like in his tidy whities with a piece of meat hanging out of his
No.
underwear, and he's on a wire going across above crocodiles, and they're snapping at the meat?
That's funny. Yeah, they did some crazy things. He was so funny, but the face on this guy. Johnny Knoxville.
You see when he went into the porta potty and they dumped it upside down on him?
I'm an old guy. I don't remember anymore. But I saw the Jackass 1 and I think Jackass 2. But the Grandpa
Oh, the
one and
movies?
all the others after that I didn't see.
I only saw the show a few times, but that was enough. I had to take 2 showers. I was like, oh my God, I can't watch this. Come on, rip it.
Yeah,
Yeah, the hourly still looks like it wants to push up.
Do I
We
have
came
an
down,
arrow?
we came to the
Yeah, for real.
50% retracement of that gap. Push right back up.
I'm watching the 1 hour and the 5 minute side by side.
Yep.
1 hour.
Come down. Tested the gap. Strong bullish candle back up. We can get above this for resistance.
Ooh,
Breakout.
43.
I only need 1,000 more now.
What are you saying? You have 1,000?
I'm up 1,000. Yep. I'm at
Nice.
55, 100.
Joker, good morning.
Good morning, Joker Trades. Surprised to see you guys up so early. I mean, I'm up early also, and I was up late, but I usually consider myself the exception. My kids are always telling me, Dad, you're crazy.
Yeah, I need more sleep in my life.
I
Yeah.
got stopped.
Yeah, like how much sleep did you guys get? Joker, how much sleep did you guys get last night? What time is it now? 10 o'clock? You could have gotten 5 hours. You guys could have gotten 5 hours, yeah.
You guys? We don't.
Yeah, you and
guys?
Joker. You and
What
Joker were
about-
up like,
No.
yeah, 10:30 for me too.
No. Hell
Yeah,
no.
Y'all don't sleep
We're not
together?
doing that.
No, but you guys were up like at 3 in the morning. I was up
Mike.
at 3 in the morning. That's how I
Mike.
know you guys were up at 3 in the morning.
Mike, they don't sleep together.
No, I know.
I like that.
What did I say? I said, how much sleep did you guys get? Same thing with me. But I didn't. I stopped working at 3, but I didn't fall asleep.
Aren't
till
y'all
like
on
5.
the opposite ends of the country?
Yeah,
No, Joker's Joker's in the Northeast also.
impossible.
What?
Totally impossible.
Am I thinking of the wrong people?
Joker's in the Northeast, and Woodchip's in the West Coast.
Opposite
Joker's
sides
east-
of the country.
Yeah, but not me. Me and Joker are East Coast.
We'll just
You're
say
East Coast
San
also.
Francisco, but
You're
I'm
East
not-
Yeah,
Coast
but I'm
also.
on the other side of the country.
Yeah, you're Southeast. You're Southeast.
So we pretty much got like all 4 corners of the country.
Yeah, we do. 3.
I mean, you're in a different country, but it's like, okay, all 4 corners of the, well, I guess not continent. I guess there's,
continent, continentish.
well, we got Mexico below us, I guess.
Yeah. You ever been to Tijuana?
oh
For
yeah.
me?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, that's on my bucket list, but not anymore. I heard it's really dangerous now. It was on my bucket list when I was 20.
I got a really nice leather whip and a pinata.
From Tijuana?
Yeah.
When did you
They
go?
actually, like when you're leaving in your car and you're in the traffic to cross the border.
They give
there's
you a whip.
people,
Selling stuff.
No, they're like walking through all the cars trying to sell
Yeah.
stuff. The
Believe it or
very,
not,
very last bit. Yeah,
seen
I'd
that.
like to go.
That's like a
Seen
good
that in the
idea.
movies.
I'd like to go to Mexico, but I don't think I'd want to go anytime now.
Yeah.
I think I'd
Wish
have
I
to
still
let
had that whip.
let all the politics stuff die down before I'd go.
Mm.
I heard there's a lot of like beautiful places in Mexico. But I guess you just gotta, it's like anywhere, you just gotta know
Oh,
where to
yeah.
go and where not to.
Yeah. And it helps if you know how to speak the language.
And if you know people there.
If you can't speak the language, you're gonna get totally hosed financially.
Yeah. Well, there's a lot of people there now that's mad at people from the US or Canada or wherever else. So
Yeah, those
think I just-
Canadians. I mean, what are you gonna do about them?
Let's go. Let's see. 57.
He's
like-
concentrating.
I feel like there's a lot of like nice places down there in
Boosh.
Mexico and surrounding areas.
Well, there are. There's a lot of. I don't know how you guys how they sell your vacation packages out there in Florida, but here we have the all-inclusives. So
Oh, yeah.
there's Riviera Maya, there's Cancun. I don't know. Acapulco's probably not recommended anymore, but
I think Cancun seems nice, but if you're going to go there, you might as well just stay in the States. I mean, it's going to be all the same stuff. Cancun's a huge tourist destination. It'd be just like going to Daytona or
yeah,
one of those
Yeah.
other huge tourist
A lot of-
destinations.
A lot of bikinis I heard in Cancun.
Oh, I'm sure. Yeah.
Lots of bikinis, like for real.
Joker. All right, boys.
I mean, you're
Here's
on the West
first
Coast. There's a lot of
drop to
bikinis there.
350 and long to 600.
I'm on the East Coast, or we got 2 coasts to our state, or 3. I don't know. However you look at it. But
Yeah,
350,
that-
new low.
yeah, we can go to beaches everywhere. There's nothing but bikinis.
I love beaches. Those beaches be doing me dirty sometimes, but
Hmm.
love me some beaches. I'm still salivating for 542.
Yeah, Joker's
Do
thinking
we get a breakout, or do we push back down again?
Push.
a little bump here, a little wick.
Drop down, get everybody short, and then spike up.
We'll pop, get over 460, come right back down.
Oh, it's gonna
It's
go
been doing it all day long. You are not sucking me in.
straight
Yeah, we
up.
did break a
I
made a
got
nice
my-
push above a trend line on the ES.
I got my hand off the mouse.
1, 2, 3, 4, 4 or 5 touches.
All right. Let's
Nice
go.
break
Let's
above
go,
it,
let's go.
retest, spike up. This could be the breakout.
This is the
I
one
don't like
hour.
breakout.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna take a break, grab a drink, be back in a minute.
Okay. Okay.
Push, push.
1026 near the well, not near the initial balance high. Making new highs for the initial balance. I like that. I like to see us trading near the high or low of the initial balance just before it forms.
$550 now. I'm almost to the target they told me I had to get to.
Yeah, I think I told you the story when I did that accidentally once with Top Step. I went way over my limit. I think I did an NQ like you did also or something. I don't remember even how. It's it's a while ago. I don't remember how it opened, how it happened.
Minis,
but I went way over my limit. I swear to God. I think it was 8,000 more. And then I said, "Oh shit!" I only realized it like near the end of the day. But all I did was lose money. I just I brought it down to 1,500 by losing money. So I said, "Okay." But again, like you said, you're kind of being punished for being profitable. Now, it was an accident and it was stupid. What happened was I took a very large, I think I went max contracts and it was just before news. And the thing probably popped 100 or 150 points and I hit sell and got out and it made a huge profit. But yeah, in the end, it still comes down to the fact that you are being punished for being profitable, regardless if it was whatever they call it there. What's the word they call it when you do that? They have a word for it. Windfall profits. There you go.
Hey, what's up, Joker?
I just figured I'd jump in. I saw you guys hanging out. So I just got denied a payout for Windfall. Hey, how about that 470, huh? How about that 470?
Yeah.
What's going on with Omnius? Is that his kid or is that
he got into a time machine, guy. What the heck is
What happened?
Omnius just came back 11.
There you go.
Hey, Omnius, how did you do that?
No idea.
Wow, dude.
It's in the water.
You'll know.
It's in the water.
Are we long or short? Omnius.
Well, Omnius is short. Omnius is he's only about 4 foot something now. So he's pretty short.
Yeah,
I think that's about right.
Start taking trades.
Give us your call. Long or short right now. Which way?
57. Long. Say long.
Flip a coin.
Yeah, no, we don't do that anymore.
I say long.
There you go.
Okay.
You're the man.
You're gonna get smashed going long. Don't go long, guys.
I'm gonna follow him.
Don't follow him.
No idea what I'm doing.
You know what? Most of the days I feel like same thing.
All right, we just delivered stage 1, which now you can follow him.
No,
it might go a little lower, but if you want to follow it now, go ahead. We should be creating structure.
I'm already good.
Oh my God! Wow. Well, I'm not surprised that I hit 2 PDLLs today because today is a bad day for my system. It's getting whacked.
I had a bad day yesterday.
Yeah. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It was losers.
It was a good day. We made some mistakes.
Yeah.
I blew my 300K funded account.
Oh. Yeah.
It was already on Windfall. I needed $24,000 to get a payout on that account.
Yeah.
24,000. So I was like, you know what, dude? I'm not even gonna bother with that account.
Yeah. That's the thing.
I was working it slowly, but and still, Mike, I was taking it with micros.
Yeah.
Right. I was still trading it properly. I was helping Woodchip and CK. They were trading some evals the night before, and they were trying to figure out targets, the exact terminus. So I was doing some calculations with the chart. And then I woke up. I took a nap and I woke up. I was waiting for a level. My alert got hit. I was waiting for a level. I woke up half asleep, and I just market entered in because I saw that my position, my level. Didn't really pay too much attention to the chart. Didn't see what happened when it hit my level. I just kind of woke up and it was like one of those instinctual things. So I enter with 40, not 4.
I was gonna say 40.
Hello.
That's so funny. 40
entered with
micros.
40 micros, which is what I was
Oh, he's
testing.
out. Later, kid.
Hello.
Later, bud.
I'm back again.
Oh, he's back.
I'm
There he is.
back.
Yeah, that's definitely obvious. So look, man, I got in with 40. I walked away. I came back to a really, really, really bad trade. I got stopped out, but instead of getting stopped out for like $150 because it was so big, I ended up getting stopped out for 1,500-ish. Brought down my
man.
drawdown to like 2,500. And then we're no longer trading. Now we're over trading and we're just, we're not even analyzing. Like I'm not even taking my setup, dude. Like I've already had this whole thing pre-analyzed, where we're going. And
Yeah.
I'm taking every wrong move that you can think of. Not really, actually, I'm lying. I did all right because I was trading my evals past the 2 evals. And then that account, I was trading it with the evals. So in the beginning, I took a couple of losses because I was doing stupid stuff, and I only had like $800 left in drawdown at the end. But then I said, what are you doing? Why don't you just take your setup, bro? So I took 1 mini from 800, my setup. I got my head out of my rear end, and I started trading the setup. When I started trading the setup properly,
Probably started to go well.
I made $4,000 back
Yeah.
out of the 5 that I lost, right? In that moment. But it started getting late in the day. I started getting anxious. I didn't want to leave the account red, right? A little measly $1,000 after making it all back like a bozo. And I decided to triple up the position to 3 minis, and we all know how that works.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what I was saying to Woodchip. I don't know if you caught it in the beginning. I went for a coffee. It was yesterday. Yeah, it was yesterday with James. I was telling him that, I trust myself now. It's been a long.
I'm out now.
Okay.
See you, bud.
We'll see you soon.
All
Why
right,
aren't you in
see ya.
school?
Yeah. Why are you not in school?
Do you have a
They may
note?
start a little later.
Ah.
My kids
Oh.
started yesterday.
No, they started a week ago or something. They really started early. But anyways,
That's
I was
that
saying.
Canadian craziness.
Yeah, I was saying that. I trust myself now. I hit my PDLL even if I don't have it locked in. MFFU doesn't have it locked in. I hit 200, 300, 400, whatever. I stop.
You just look
I'm good
away.
with that.
Yeah, you don't
I
need
do now.
to.
I'm great with it. I trust myself now. But it's so fragile. Like what Chip was saying, Nutty Bar. Lost his accounts, 20 accounts, 30 accounts, or whatever.
I saw that. I messaged Woodchip and I told him that.
It's
That's so messed up. It's so sad to see
It's
that.
so fragile, like you just got to be self-aware and be conscious all the time. You make one mistake, and before you know it, boom! It's like a car crash, and what the hell happened? I hate about that. That's why the best thing is set them in stone. I still don't do it on all my accounts, but just put them in there. Get locked out. I'm locked out of my daytrader.com. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's not up. I thought it was up. Why isn't it up? That's weird.
All right.
Project X note is supposed to be up. Okay. Yeah, you don't see the thing. Anyways, lockout. Personal daily loss limit. No trading allowed. I'm down $311. No problem. I'll make it back tomorrow. So yeah, lock yourself. Put in those limits and just lock yourself out, and it's great. And it's been such a difference in my numbers, and I'm happy. I love the way I'm trading, except today's probably going to be my first red day for a couple of accounts, but in general, I'm every day I'm chipping away,
Like you just got to follow your rules. Whatever they are, right? Like just don't break them, right? Like if you start breaking your rules, you're going to start seeing everything you're not supposed to do come out.
That's it. I can't
Just
do the
Joker.
Joker.
Don't break your rules, man. Just don't break them.
I can't get the Joker trades, Mike stunts, 100 pointers, 50 pointers, but that's not my game. So, it's.
Don't worry about that. Don't worry about what we're doing. CK trades Mike stunts, trades completely different than I do. Like I've been trying to explain to him my setup, and he's like, I don't get it, bro. I don't know how you get to these levels, but I don't get it. And that's all right. I don't think he's meant to get it. But Butters is getting it.
Yeah.
Like Butters woke up today and he was like, Joker, I did it. I took the setup.
I did. I saw a message in your Discord. I saw him. He was like all excited. I'm getting it, or something like that. He said,
Yeah. So he's starting to grasp some of it. Took a setup today. Took it straight to TP. He didn't care about the rest. He took like a 30-pointer, quick. But that's how my setup delivers. It's just very technical, right? Like it's super technical, and it takes a lot to figure it out. Like I don't even know that a bot would work with what I do, right? Like if maybe we can set a bot up, right? Maybe I can sit down with you and we could make a bot to trade my setup. Because it's so mechanical.
That's a lot of programming.
It's a lot of programming, correct. A lot has to happen every single time in order for us to be willing to take a trade. But that's all right.
I'm not sure, correct me if I'm wrong, but I think you're also incorporating multi-time frame analysis. Correct. So that makes it even more difficult now. Because
if something happens in a higher time frame, then we need to leave the lower time frame alone.
Yeah.
Hey, Omnius.
Well,
Omnius, how are your accounts? Because there was like a kid that came in and we told him to like
it was a
click
kid.
a button.
Why is
he
it
didn't make any
buttons, man? He started pressing buttons, Omnius.
Did he make any money?
I was encouraging him. I was saying, hit the buttons.
All we heard was stop filled. So I don't know.
I wish it had took it. I keep trying to tell him to trade. Might be worth losing the money just to get him to take that first trade.
He took the first trade already.
I think he would be an amazing trader.
Yeah. You know,
if I could just get him hooked on it.
We're in the range.
The things that kid sees blow your mind.
You ever follow or listen to Oliver Velez, Omnius?
Yeah.
He claims that he has the easiest time teaching children, and they're the best traders.
I would think so, yeah.
And then from there, he moves on to women. He says men are the worst. Women after that, and then it's the men.
Yeah.
I would agree with the kids. I don't know about the women.
Yeah.
I've heard that about women. They're just not interested at all in it, usually.
Some women I could agree with that on, but others, I mean,
I gotta get my wife on here and try trading for her a day.
Yeah, definitely.
All right, boys, it's coming in. We got stage 1 delivered on 15-second.
Oh, 15-second.
That just means that it could still go higher, but we're just looking for full delivery now. We just want to let the 15-second play and give us a nice little minute.
Yeah, it's funny. One of my boys has moved over to the 15-second chart, believe it or not.
I don't trade. The 15-second is only for confirmation that it's ready to start. That sometimes, Omnius, but it's more so to confirm that it's ready to make a move in a direction. So as the 15-second confirms the setup and it plays it, I don't need to take it. 15-second is going to create data for the 1 minute.
I think if you're using the 15-second, you got to have like a certain setup on it, kind of like you would with the footprint chart. Like you're looking for a certain setup to kind of confirm entry.
Well, my setup is the same on any time frame. That's the thing. That's how. So my shit is a little difficult, but it's also easy when you get it because it's the same everywhere. You don't need to look and try to identify something else every single time. It's the same over and over and over.
Yeah, you just want all the time frames to show you the same thing at that moment.
Right. If your setup is coming in and aligning on multiple higher time frames, 5 minute, 15 minute, right? You're starting to get part of the setup in the hourly, for example. What do I mean? I mean, the model happens in stages. Stage 1, stage 2. Like right now, we just delivered stage 1. Stage 2 takes out the high if stage 1 delivered in an OTE range. So if we're like above the 70%, high probability stage 2 is taking the high. If stage 1 came in right above the 50, I still want to clean 50, but it came in right above the 50, Stage 2, high probability, hits the optimal trade entry around 78% to 80% and goes to you just go to target the low of stage 1's liquidity. So it's really that simple. I just broke it down super quick in terms of understanding how it works in the two stages, but you got to be able to identify if the 5-minute is setting up for the model, even to give you stage 1, for example, and you're over there stuck in a bias on the 15-second. 15 seconds is going to fail every single time because you've already moved up and you're already getting the algorithmic setup on the higher time frame.
Yeah, I don't think you can form a bias on a 15-second short.
Oh, I do.
I would think more for entry or confirmation. I don't know about bias.
Bro, if we're in a consolidating range, so if we're outside of a distribution and we're going into an accumulation where we're going to start where the algorithm is just generating liquidity because it already took everything it needed on that big move on the distribution. That's what it does. It rebalances. So once we rebalance and we get back into the into that new I guess new zone, let's call it, after that big move, it's going to go sideways. It's not, nobody's making it go sideways. It's a computer program. There's nothing there to move it. It needs the liquidity to generate. It's going to go up and down, up and down, up and down. Depending on the time of day, it's how much sideways we're going to get. If we got a lot of volume in the day and there's a lot of people playing outside of that distribution, algorithm's going to have enough liquidity to move much quicker. So that's where the money comes into play. But if there's not enough in the game, or the move was just so massive that it needs to again rebalance, reaccumulate what it just took, that could take a while. Bro, we're gonna tell me we go straight to 600 for the drop, bro. If we go straight to 600 from here, boys, because I'm higher time frame, we're moving.
Oh yeah, it looks nice on the hourly.
Yeah, that's exactly what I'm looking at. It's exactly what I'm looking at, Omnius. That hourly is looking pretty. And if we can get up, so stage 1, for example, if you look at the hourly here, let me give it to you, bro. I'll break it down to you, and it's easy to identify right now. So do you see that 8 p.m. candle from Sunday the 31st on the hourly? That pull up into the gap, into that fair value gap that like the people will call it, right?
Give me a second. Talking to me. I'm marking out a few areas.
Oh, you're good.
I need $200, Joker.
All right, what are you talking about?
This is a perfect example of where I'm looking to take my trade, right? So I was looking for a little. Can I share my screen with you? Make it easier?
No.
Yeah, I can. It might mess up the camera settings first. No, not even. Doesn't even look bad. Mike has it set up where it auto resizes. All right. So you see this right here, this range where we shifted market structure here
Mm-hmm.
on an hourly.
Was that the hourly?
Hourly, yeah. All right, so we get this pullback right here, and you take it down to here. Now these levels are also predetermined, pre-marked, right? It's liquidity. This is a liquidity zone that I had marked for a long time, right? This was my draw. Now once we turned around at the draw, notice how we closed below on the hourly, right? Below both bodies. This is our confirmation that we're going back down. All right, so this move here is going to take out this liquidity. For sure, I can promise you that. Now, this right here didn't have to happen. It kind of did already happen, right? Just I was waiting for a little bit lower, which is whatever. But this right here was our first entry above the 50% of the range, right? So this is your range. That's your 50. We traded just above the 50 on first stage. First stage delivered to TP, right? Lows, right? So first stage delivered to TP. Second stage, because first stage was not up here inside of this zone between the 70 and the 78%, right? That's going to be our second stage, right? Our second stage is going to get to 600-ish, could be 640, could be 660, right? There's enough room on this move to manipulate. Now, I don't think we do, because I believe we're playing back off of this breaker for the first time, right? We're using these breakers right here. So my stop loss on this trade is going to be kind of tight. Breaker 1, breaker 2. Okay. This is where we entered the first one, right? Breaker, 2 breakers here though, and it came back.
Let me just interject just one quick question. What was that number you were looking at? 560, 540?
542.
Okay. Okay, go on, Joker. Sorry.
So once stage one delivered, my real interest for a trade is sitting right around here. And that's going to be our OTE entry of the range. It's really that simple. It doesn't get complicated, but it's also trading off of very specific levels that I need to get tagged in order for me to take my setup. So, you know, most of my stuff is, where is it? 9193, is it 91? No, 93. 93.
Whoosh.
So most of my stuff is already kind of like predetermined with a lot of hypothetical if-then scenarios, right? So we never came down here to grab to take the short even from here. But in order for us to have taken this short, for this gets invalidated and deleted. Right? Why? Because this never came in.
I need $100
to the entry. It came in above the 50, which means the next time we come down here, there is a high probability. There's a high probability that we will be trading off of it. Come on, bro, stop messing with me like that. There's a high probability we'll be trading off of the 78%. Now, that's all going to depend on what happens right here, right? So just because I want 600, to take the trade right here, it doesn't mean that it's going to come immediately. This is where the market gets people, right? I still potentially want to see us first get down here.
Made $50. Come on, let's go.
I'd love to see us take a trade in this range to then take it up to the 600, to then take the 600 down. So a lot of my stuff pretty much stays intact for long periods of time, you know, but now we're on the hourly, and hourly is delivering here. Right? Hourly is coming into a delivery zone right now. Stage 1, stage breaker 1, breaker 2, close above here, 10 minutes. Nice little bullish confirmation just to play the highs here, right? Just to deliver this. But if the hourly doesn't pull back to give us the trade down here first, this comes up a bit.
Hey, Butters.
I don't want to see it come down deep like that.
Whoosh.
Yeah.
Maybe.
No, Butters didn't see the video. I'm going to take a look at it, though. I've been hearing a lot about that trade.
I've been seeing videos 10 times a day. I told Mike if he'd just make a video bashing her, it'd get like a couple thousand views.
You do it. I don't get the views. My channel is on...
I'm not going to bash a girl because she took one bad trade.
Me neither. Oh, but you're going to advise me to do it, huh?
I mean, I'm not a fan of her. I think I get tired of hearing about her uncle and about all these trades she took. Like, put them on stream, do them live, you know? And tell us what you're doing, not your uncle.
I'm
you
a
talk
fan.
About your uncle, put him on the stream.
I'm a fan. I got a Tory Trades poster right beside my Ron DeSantis poster.
Listen,
No, I'm
guys.
not
just like
gonna
everyone
bash her
else,
because she took a bad trade. Name one person that's never taken a bad trade.
Yeah.
Look, but guys, the reality is there's no reason to bash her, period. She's another human being in this trading game, taking advantage of the social media platforms and trying to make a buck like everybody else, bro. All right. So it is what it is, man. You know, is she being 100% honest with everything that she does? Maybe not. I don't know. Maybe not. Who cares?
Anybody is?
Exactly. Does it really matter if she is or she isn't?
Anybody is?
You know,
Anybody-
with how much she's making.
I'm saying I'm not gonna kick her when she's in a bad spot. You know, it's like, oh, you're down. Let me kick you. That's an easy way to kick somebody.
Butters Omnius, did she lose money on it? The way I heard it, she just went into deep drawdown, then it turned around.
She was in $250,000 of drawdown.
Yeah.
To make like 40. I forgot. I didn't
it
even
doesn't matter. So that's a scratch trade.
I mean, if she made money, she made money.
She got, okay. No, I mean, it was an inverted risk return, but maybe she panicked. I used to see a trader. He used to go into a mode. He called it loss management. Like if he got stuck, he wouldn't use stops. He was a disciplined trader. But he wouldn't use stops. If someone hit a fat finger and it went against him, he would go into loss management mode. He would wait. Right. He would wait. It doesn't matter how much it went. He would wait until it made a little bit of a retrace, and then he would use that low or that high, whatever, as his stop, and he would try to work his way out of the position and lose less. And
but obviously, when he's doing something like that, when you're in that type of a position, Mike, you're DCAing to get out of it, right? Like
I've seen a lot of trading gurus disappear because of trades like that also.
Yeah.
That's not trading, boys. That is not trading.
Well, what's your definition of DCAing? Is one ad a DCA? I mean, it's officially a DCA, but the way we use the term DCAing,
DCA means your dollar
adding
cost
and adding until you bust.
If you're taking a trade, you can take a 20-point trade. You can be down $10,000 and take a 20-point trade still. You don't have to DCA.
No, guys, what I'm saying with the DCAing though is with what Mike was saying about his buddy, the loss management or whatever, when he gets into that type of state of mind, right? And he's no longer managing his trade correctly because it blew past his first initial stop, and he's in what he calls bunny ears up loss management because he's letting it ride. Right?
No, but it was a very. I'm gonna.
Some people trade like that.
It was a very well defined process, and anybody watching would know exactly what he's doing, and could define it. It was a very well defined process. It wasn't willy nilly. It wasn't hope and a prayer.
I can define it without you saying anything. The reality is the market does not go in one direction. It always will retrace. It's going to retrace no matter whether you like it or not. That's just how it's programmed. That's how it's designed. So when he goes into this loss management, right? When he goes into this loss management, he's gonna wait. He's gonna wait for the market to tell him that it's going to retrace here. We hit our bottom potentially. Again, bunny ears up. Now we're going to start playing in your direction. But in order for him to get out of that trade, doesn't mean the market's going to go straight up to where he entered. It may not go there for a long time. So if he's looking to manage his risk, high probability he's going to start taking new trades using that low as his new low. Now he still has that contract in, or 10 or whatever his original position was. He already has that position underwater. So as he now starts to continue to take his setup and look for his trades, he'll take new trades using the new low. And by doing so, he'll dollar cost average into his original position, bringing his average lower, allowing him to get out of his trade or even potentially make money.
Most people that trade like that, that's not what they're trying to do. They're not trying to dollar cost average and lower their average. What they're doing is they're down a certain amount. So what they do is they take different trades. So if you're down $10,000 and you see a support, then to lower your loss, you would take separate trades. So say you take the trade for 40 points. Well, you win that 40-point trade. That's taking that money off of what you've lost.
Anyways, the big difference is
if you're trying to get all the way back up to your original position, then that's a lot of hopium.
He still wasn't risking even 1 or 2% of his account. Butter Stunts made a big point here, and she risked her whole account. That's a big difference. The guy I'm talking about is taking 0.5% positions. So if it actually goes against him and twice or 3 or 4 or 5 times a year he loses 2%, he was okay with that.
I think I know which guy you're talking about.
Mayor Barack.
Mayor Barack? No, I've never heard of that one. Maybe on a minute. He wears a funny hat.
No, he didn't wear a hat.
Chubby guy with a funny hat.
Trader. He was a very good trader. I really like the way he traded.
You ever watch that guy Trader on the Street?
No, never heard of him.
He does that. That's his strategy.
Yeah.
So to say that strategies like that don't work, I mean, there's people out there that do very well with strategies like that.
Yeah. Look, he assumed that any time that there was a impulsive move, he had a good probability that he didn't have to take that deep loss, and he could minimize it. He can lessen the loss, and he had a strategy around it. He knew exactly how to do it, and he did always say a couple of times a year, I will get hurt with it, but he wasn't over leveraging, so it didn't matter. And for him, statistically, the amount of money he gets back when he does it is more than the amount of money he gives up when it doesn't work for him.
Yeah, listen, that's what it's about, guys. It's about managing your risk. If you have a setup, if you have a trade setup.
Yeah, I used to like Mayor. I'm talking to Butters.
Yeah, no worries. You have a trade setup that delivers even 40%, let's say, right? Let's say you got a 40% setup. But this particular setup is always a 1 to 3 R trade. You're making money. As long as you follow your rules, as long as you manage your risk accordingly, right? Based on what you're putting out there.
Just so many ways to make money.
Yeah, dude, 100%. But it all boils. Omnius, it will all boil down to following your rules.
Yeah, I think you have to have a system, and I think we even proved that with the coin flip. It's like a simple coin flip is going to be 80% of traders. If you can't define a system, then you're really not a trader. You know, there's a million different systems out there. Grab one, trade it, you know, and you have to get good enough with that one system that you can be profitable.
I get your logic with the coin flip. I don't think the coin flip is ever a move that makes sense to
No,
trade.
it's not profitable. It's not profitable, but it's better than most traders.
Well, I think,
without a doubt.
I think the point of it is that a simple strategy, even one as simple as a coin flip, which everybody would say that's crazy, you can't trade that. But even a strategy as simple as that, if you have a defined take profit, a defined stop, even a strategy as simple as that is going to be 80% of traders. So I could take my son, bring him in here, sit him down, never traded before. I could turn him into a break-even trader and be 80% of traders from day one.
Yeah, well, that's because you got the lucky coin. That's because you got the lucky coin.
So it's not that all the people saying that trading's gambling, it can't work. It can work. You can be profitable. You can do great. You have to have a strategy.
Okay, I'm going to throw this in the mix now because you both are talking strategy. Again, coffee yesterday, me and James, he's a trader. We both said the Holy Grail is not over leveraging. That's where I am now. And for me, in the space that I'm in now, and I see it, I think the Holy Grail is not oversizing. Trading small. You know, Joker used to say, trade a 1 lot for a month. You trade a 1 lot for a month, you trade the minimum size for a while, and you're going to see how good of a trader you are. You know, anybody with skills they're going to say, oh my God, I'm really good at this when you trade a 1 lot.
All right, 1 minute short boys just gave us an entry at 516.
Yeah, you're never going to know if you're consistent unless you're consistent with your
size. Yeah.
And your strategy. Size and strategy.
I just passed my take profit. Yeah, $2,000 today.
Sweet.
Let's go.
I
Which
fucking passed it, dude. 56.
did
Yeah,
they charge you?
Not yet. 28. I passed it by $1, and I
Bro, today's the
exited
3rd.
account.
You might be able to get away with it, bro.
Mm.
No, send them a message
Yeah.
right now. Send them a message right now. Be like, yo, look, guys, I even passed this account with your crazy rule, you know, of that I didn't even realize I broke, and I got above, you know, this number. I do not want to be
Yeah, I'm
charged
doing it
another
right
month.
now.
Yeah, I do not
When's
want to
your-
be charged another month, especially being that I passed this before the renewal. Please approve this account without charging me a new month. Thank you.
What's your renewal date? What chip is it? The 4th or the 3rd?
3rd.
The 3rd.
Oh, yeah, it's a tight one.
But yeah, because when you log into their site, it's always a day late. It'll say that you're
Boom, baby, let's go.
wherever you are.
Target hit.
Yeah.
Oh, easy peasy, boys. Quick little 16-point scalp.
C'est quoi ça? Group Omni? Oh, look at that. We can fill up that
now,
box over
we're on
there.
the 1 minute, right? 1 minute setup. 1 minute setup. But we pulled back to the 70% for stage 1. So just because it's the 1 minute setup, it's not going to change anything. Doesn't have to stop here either. It can keep going a little lower, expanding down the range. But if it's not ready, it's just going to keep creating data. And if it confirmed just by taking out that current low on stage 1 and stage 2 pulls back to that 515 range, high probability we're taking out the high at 524. Like super high probability. Once we take out the high at 524, I'm no longer interested in trading the 1 minute. I would reset again, lower time frame, or I would go up to the 5 minute now to see if the 5 minute is giving me a setup here. 5 minute potentially forming a breaker.
We didn't tap in yet on the 5.
An OB.
Yeah.
The 5 minute isn't doing anything yet. The only thing the 5 minute could potentially be giving us, Woodchip, is no data at the highs. You got to play the lower time frame model. You're going to get a full inversion on the 5 minute, playing back down to the 380s fast.
380? I just wanted to tap 497 and go higher to 542. That's all I want.
Well, yeah, that's more logical. But I'm talking about if the 5 minute is not setting up for a model and the 1 minute starts to play out full and drops here deeper, 5 minute could be inversing, right? Like a full inversion, a rebalance on the 5. 15 minute will turn into also a rebalance. Hourly will turn, hourly closed up there too. So hourly
closed above.
Yeah. Hourly just closed above 1.
We're pretty gold.
2 breakers, 3 breakers. I don't even know that we get a push back here. Hourly should be pushing to at least the 540s right now. Tiny pullback. 55 minutes. Candle just opened. Liquidity.
It's 11 o'clock. It's getting quieter now, eh? Only 9 points now of range on the 1 minute candles. Means Omnius has 11.
Oof. Hourly.
We just need 497 tap. That's all we need.
I don't know. I'm looking at Omnius. What are you thinking about on the 4 hour or the 1 hour chart? We're going back up? Or are we going to continue? Look at my 4 hour chart with the trend line. Now that you got me putting up 4 hour charts and trend lines. I'm sorry, Mike.
What was that, Tori?
Say that again.
What was that, Tori?
but with that being said, It looks like we're going to close above a swing high. So, and we just did poke through those August 19th lows a couple days ago. Remember, I was asking you, Omnius, about those two candles with those huge wicks. I don't know. It's possible we're going to break that trend line and start heading higher. I mean, I am bullish.
We were talking about that the other day.
I'm a perma bull. We didn't break the 50-period moving average on the daily. I got the daily up there. Now
Came
on
down,
the screen
tested support, shot right back up.
I'm a perma bull, so it is
680.
possible. Everything is possible, but it is possible.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, 665 for today, I think.
I can start looking at it now, especially with the long term.
I think the target we're looking for is around the 600, but could see pullback or two before that.
Yeah, market could do anything. That's the thing.
Mm-hmm.
1 minute strong. We haven't even broken a recent swing in since the market opened. A swing low. We haven't broken a swing low since no, we did. Sorry, one at 935. After that, the swing lows have been going up.
So I was trying to tell you, I messaged that person that put the copyright claim against me.
Yeah.
They messaged me back this morning.
Nice. That's good.
With their, I guess you would call it their demands. I thought it was funny. Because
what was the copyright claim about?
It was like a 20-second video. I used a song that was generated from a AI platform. And I guess it sounded too much like their song. So they actually filed a copyright claim against me. And YouTube has a shorts policy to where you can't have a copyright claim filed against you on a short less than 60 seconds. But apparently they still filed the claim, even though it's in their own policy that you don't have to worry about that. But it says I can't dispute it. All I can do is message the person that filed the claim, or there is a way to dispute it, but it's not like disputing a normal thing because it's an actual strike against the channel. So what I can do is the first step is to message them and see if they'll rescind the copyright, which they might do. I don't know, unless I piss them off. I might piss them off. I get that way sometimes. But
yeah, if it annoys me enough, for real.
But if they don't rescind it, then I'm going to go with the next step, would be directly challenging them. And I was watching a video yesterday, and the guy said if you directly challenge them, they'll have to file a legal claim in court, in federal court.
That's it. You're right. You're right. I remember that now.
So if they don't rescind it, I'm going to directly challenge them, and they're going to have to send me to federal court over a 20-second video that's already been deleted.
Do it, bro.
So if they want to spend tens of thousands of dollars to go stand beside me in a federal court, then let them do it.
And then all you got to do is just back up. Let them send it to federal court, and then you just back off.
Oh, dude, you know how much I would laugh at them and mock them in a federal courtroom? Even my kids do it. I would literally videotape most of it and just mock them. You'd see a video of me. You see a video of me just mocking these people like crazy.
Sorry to interrupt. 5 minute tap. Here we go. Straight up. 540.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let me hear the cash register.
That
I
was
haven't heard it today.
But literally all their demands was take down the video, and YouTube already did all that.
Potential continuation if we damn at the fucking top of the no breaker.
Not allowed to swear on this channel, Joker.
Yeah, we've rescinded swearing.
Did I curse?
I don't know. I didn't catch it.
Yeah.
Butch did, but I didn't.
Yes, you did. Yes, you did.
What did I say?
You did the F-bomb.
Did I really?
Sometimes I might drop them. I gotta rewind it. I gotta rewind it and hear it.
You know what? It's impossible to hold back. It really is. I don't know how, you know. It's going to take rewiring. It's going to take a lot of rewiring.
I did it too.
It's a slow process. We'll get better and better.
You got to put $1 in the jar every time you do it. Think about how many.
Hey, which it should be coming up, man. By the way, There's no
We're gonna need a bigger jar.
That's a lot of evals we can buy collectively.
I guess Mike will have to put $1 in a jar each time. We're gonna need a bigger jar.
Yeah.
And then after like a month or so, we'll have to use that money for giveaways.
There you go. Yeah, we haven't done a giveaway yet. That's sad. That's sad.
I love how you got AI Mike and AI Omnius on the screen.
I gotta fill those spots.
Those guys are better than we are. What are you talking about?
That guy he's definitely more handsome than you are, Omnius. That's for sure.
I'm gonna take that as a compliment because I don't normally like guys telling me I'm handsome. But I do have a red beard, so I have plenty of girls telling me I'm handsome. I like that better.
Omnius, we actually thought that you had like an AI created live person, but it turned out that it wasn't. It was a kid.
Yeah.
No, Omnius. It was so funny.
Time machine. Oh, you're talking about the time warp.
Yeah, he sat down, he put the headphones back in and everything, and then
how come he's home today?
There chilling.
Yeah, he's home today.
Awesome.
Apparently he's sick.
I'm sick. Yeah.
That's what he said. You know how kids are. I'm sick.
Yeah.
I can't go to school.
Ah, that's what happened. Okay.
Oh, you gotta rewind the stream. He called long. Remember
did?
when he
Yeah, I
called
heard him.
long?
He did.
I heard him. Yeah.
And what did we do? He was right.
Yeah, I wish I could get him
Said long
some
or
screen
short?
time.
He's like, I'm
He wanted to
long.
comment. He wanted to comment, but he's on his TV because I won't let him watch TV or be on his tablet today because he's home from school. So he's like, how can I comment? I'm like, I don't know. Can't comment from the TV.
You can write it on a piece of paper.
Oh,
Make him
Okay.
write it in cursive.
I'm gonna trade.
I told him if he wanted to get on stream and talk for a second, he could.
Does anyone know how to write in cursive anymore? I feel like Mike probably does.
I do.
I can't not write in cursive. I got like a hybrid writing. It's like half cursive, half not. And I can't write any other way.
It's a completely lost
Isn't
art.
cursive
It's gotta be
script? We're talking about
Yeah.
script, right?
Yeah.
What? Script?
Yeah. Script.
cursive,
Cursive.
I guess.
What's he talking about? Script?
Script.
Mike,
It's,
will you
you know,
translate?
letters that connect instead of individual every letter standing on its own.
Yeah, it's cursive.
Techies.
Yeah, it's
Or
called-
script.
it's called Script.
I never heard it called script. That must be a northern thing.
Yeah.
You.
I
Oh
never
yeah.
heard it. I never heard it, but it was required in high school.
Yeah.
Sure was.
Connections.
I always liked
Disconnect.
cursive better. I couldn't like do like regular letters.
Mm.
I still can't do 'em.
Essays in cursive. I'm like, damn. How do you?
When's the
draw a
last time-
Z?
When's the last time y'all tried to write a Q? Like sit down and write a Q. It just don't even feel right.
Now try writing the Z.
Oh,
That
you know
one's
what?
hard. That one's tough.
You know what? You put me on the spot now. I wouldn't know how to do it. But if I just started to write a letter, like the word queen or something, or whatever, or zebra,
Queen?
it would come to me. It would.
He
It
is from,
would.
Can- hey,
it would-
he is
it
from
would-
Canada.
It would it would automatically come to me how to do it instinctively. But if you just told me, if you put me on the spot and made me do it, guys, I'm setting up. There it is, 11:15. Joker, you have first choice if you want to make a call. 5 lot. Let me just set it. There we go. If
You
not,
guys are doing that. We got Woodchip in the house. I'm gonna pass it to Woodchip. Woodchip's on fire.
Woodchip, short or long. Let's go.
Woodchip's on fire. Let's get Woodchip's analysis.
It
You guys
doesn't
are ready,
matter.
my
It's
friend.
Bulenox eval 49. That's what it's for. Let's go. What are long or
Just
short?
wait. Not yet. Not yet.
No, it's 11:15. It's got to be now.
That you
What do you
gotta.
mean?
I think
gotta
you
be
should.
now.
I think.
Well, then it's short.
Maybe
It
it's
has
got to be
No.
now. It's
No,
yeah.
go long.
He
Yeah,
said he
yeah,
didn't want to do it.
Listen,
He's like, I don't want to do it.
I was just busting chops. I did that on purpose. If you would
There
have
we
said, long, I would have said no. Go short. Just
Let's
messing
zoom
around.
it in.
I'm already in a long from 512, so I'm underwater, but
But you're fading yourself? He's fading himself.
If it has to be now, because I think it's going to pull back more.
I just want to interject on that comment, right? I think what you should do, Mike, is activate the trade at 11:15. Like, all right, here we go, ready to 11:15, ready for the trade. But you should give whoever's about to call the trade a few minutes if price action isn't delivering the proper data. The whole purpose of it should be to have a successful trade in that time slot, not to just randomly hit the button at any given time. If the data, if it's in the middle of a range and you don't have the data to take a proper trade, I don't think you should be pressing the button. I think you should still be on top of it, and I think you should be ready to take the trade once it comes in. But I think you should give people at least an opportunity to let the price action play out. We shouldn't be in here just guessing.
Yeah, but he hit it. He hit it. He got a winner. No, because you know what? I disagree with you, because the whole idea is to see if the 50-50, if the 10 points take profit, if almost like randomness, except I want to take away the randomness of the coin, and I want to interject. I want to put in trader discretion, but immediately on the spot. Just take a look, and I want to see if it does better. I'm curious to see if it'll do better than the coin flip. Guys, I got to update the numbers, because that's 2 winners in a row. Actually, there was 1 winner yesterday. I didn't update the numbers. So let's see what we're doing here now. The account is at, let me just let you know, account number 49, 590, 5590, 50,590. So still never went in the red.
Nice. Hey, Woodchip, what account are you trading now? Because the take profits passed, right?
Yeah. I'm trading the funded.
Okay.
Oh my God. Benny Johnson. It's not just nonsense live. A whole bunch of Epstein victims are speaking out instead of staying silent.
It's about to get crazy.
I think they just released like 300 pages or something, didn't they?
Yeah, but they probably would have redacted the names of the victims, but now the victims decided, you know what, the hell with it. And there's this is on Benny Johnson. This isn't one of those stupid European things that's just fake, showing a fake live. This is the I'm not going to play it, because every time I play something, I get a copyright strike, but no more playing stuff anymore.
Fight it.
I learned my lesson too many times. Is the point to set up a trade or to take a gamble? Is it to replace the coin flip? It's to replace the coin flip, to put in randomness, to see random, but to throw in a little bit of trader opinion. So I still want it done exactly at 11:15 and 11:45, but can a trader do better than a coin flip if he's pressed?
The point is to on the spot be able to instantly pick a direction, and if you did that on the spot, what would the stats be?
It would be better than a coin flip if a human's deciding.
Doesn't necessarily have to win. It's just gathering the data.
So currently we're 6 winners, 4 losers, and we are 180 plus 150.
Theoretically, in trading, it's harder to lose than it is to win, but everybody seems to lose. I guess that's what makes trading fun.
And here's the other thing I'm doing. If it actually hits the stop loss, I take it in another account again in the same direction. And so far that one has 4 wins and 0 losses. Isn't that interesting?
I think we're in a push up now.
No one cut that one? Okay.
Yeah, I was hoping for it.
Okay.
I was hoping for 2 more points to the downside, but I guess we didn't get it. Got initial balance, and we have a support at 472.
Good morning
and
again, Skeletor.
I was really hoping for the 458, but I was willing to take at least 1 at the initial balance and support.
Yeah, I'm wrong. It's going down. Gonna crush it.
You don't like that
Where's
pushed up.
London?
Now if it comes down, I don't know if I want initial balance anymore.
We got 10 minutes for London close. It's gonna go back for whatever London did. What do we got? London 3
4:55
a.m.
maybe.
4:45, 4:48 maybe.
Mm.
Kind of wants to race at the last 10 minutes.
Skeletor,
before it
good morning.
closes.
Yeah.
It's
Good
the
morning, good
it's
morning.
the OB that we talk about for New York, but it's London.
Boss says hi to the trading crew. Tell the boss we say hi, Skeletor.
Could be right here though.
Boss says hi.
No.
Get Skeletor, get the boss on the Discord.
Hey, what's going on, chocolate salty balls?
We don't.
Isn't that Skeletor? I don't.
It
think
is.
of
Yeah, the Skeletor is chocolate salted
Where
balls.
we going? Yeah.
I'm
You want to go long or go
going
short?
Short for 4:48.
Oh, he don't know what long and short means. There.
Up or down?
Down.
Up or down? We go with the up or
Working
down.
very well. Do we have another set?
No.
Down?
Just pull the wire and make this where they're connected there. Just
It's up or down?
up or down.
The headphones somewhere. Here, down your ear.
Mm,
I'll worry about the rest. Oh man, it's in a knot. I have a co-streamer. Be my co-streamer for a little bit.
Yeah, let him make the call. Up or down.
Yeah, he's struggling.
mm,
Are you a professional trader or not? Can you hear?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, I'm ready. So this is the one we're looking at?
Where's your chair at?
Mm.
That's too low.
Mm, mm, mm.
Almost at my order. There we go.
Wow, we do look like we're breaking lower, eh?
Would have liked it not to be with so much strength. You gotta come a little bit closer. All right, a little bit closer. There we go. Okay.
Okay, I'm ready. So what was the question again? Up or down? And that's the stream we're looking at?
We're out of support. Do we want to bounce off of this and go up or go down?
I think I think the market's gonna go down, to be honest.
Yeah,
Bro's fading me.
good call. I like him.
What?
Nothing.
Yeah, I think we should go down.
Is it because that candle's red?
No, I just see this line of candles going down.
Hmm.
And it's kind of like a line going down.
See that.
So I think it might go down a little more.
I still made my 8
Back up.
points. I made my 8 points. Oh, I could have had a little bit longer. Look at that. Oh, I'll be up at about 15 right now. Oh, well.
But I feel like over here we should go like down.
Don't look at him. Look at your own charts. You can't trade off his charts.
No.
Yeah, I think that's gonna go down.
You give me 10 minutes and let me show him Ranko. I'll turn him into a pro trader.
Hear that?
Yeah.
About the Ranko thing, 10 minutes?
Dash style, dash. Template.
Nope. I don't want
Save.
nobody teaching you how to trade. I want you to teach yourself.
Default.
Whatever you do, do
Save.
not listen to that guy, ICT. Remember the song?
No, don't say that.
I thought you were going
Remember
to
the
pick on
song?
me.
Oh yeah, I remember that. I remember that.
Yeah, right
Wow.
there.
I think
You
this is
probably,
gonna
you
come down.
probably just gave your
How
kid
do I make a
the
trade where I think it's
worst
coming
piece of
down?
information.
So let's just go over here.
What? Oh, you want to take a trade up?
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't. That's either a
That's
sim
right.
account or my real account. So it'd either be money we don't care about, or I'd start crying.
Straight down.
Let's not. Yeah, let's not do that. Good job.
You had
Good
it.
call though on a short.
But Joker, I
Yeah.
kind of agree with you. I'm not a basher of ICT. I just think it's too difficult for my old brain.
I don't know what to do now then.
I'm not a basher of ICT either, but I just don't want my kid to start off learning that.
Man,
Why
if you
not?
want my honest opinion,
Huh?
that's the first thing he should probably learn, and only that'll put him on such a different track, understanding these charts.
No.
Then so
How-
right there, you
how-
just knocked what you just said. So it sounds to me like you ain't got no desire to.
I think this candle is gonna go
Maybe you won't
down
bash
more.
him, but you got no desire
up
to
a
be
little.
open-minded enough to understand the information he's putting out.
But I think it's a downtrend right here.
Nope.
How do you reprice?
I want him to learn without anybody's input.
Did anybody see the tweet or the
Indicators.
video about ICT that he put out recently? I don't even know if it was fake or
Oh, he's
whatever.
about to start up another mentorship. He just became a grandfather.
Yeah, that's
And,
one. That's the one with the grandfather. And look how he says, he even mentioned, which is I always say, YouTube is entertainment. It's show business. He goes, I'm a marketer and I'm in show business. Didn't he say something like that?
I don't remember seeing all that.
Yeah, there was something. Yeah, definitely a marketer and something about it being show business. So leave me alone. Let me do what I want to do, how I want to do. And that's about it. And I agree. This is show business.
Yeah.
In a way, you are talking to the public. You are out there. Let me entertain you.
All right, it says paper. You could trade that one. You still gonna go down? You were right, but I don't know. It might be over with now.
Been there on 1 minute.
That's a 5 minute. Under 2 minute.
Yeah.
Butters, are you picking the 11:45 chat's choice? If you're there, it's 11:45. The next one.
Not this chart. There's a downtrend here. So if I was
Awesome.
saying it, I think these couple next candles will be a down.
All right, sell it.
Wow. Very
Yeah.
nice.
I thought you were scripting him there.
Who, me?
Yeah, I thought you were writing what to say.
Got the
No.
You've been given lessons.
No.
So, how do I make it do what I wanted to do?
What do you want to do?
I don't know. Like, is this supposed to hit this for me to win?
Oh, you want to set a take profit?
Yeah.
See the TP on the side over there?
TP?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's not toilet paper. It's take profit.
All right, I'm
Grab that.
I'm trying to get
Pull it down.
a long bias over here.
Grab it. Pull it down. There you go.
Sounds good,
I
Butters.
feel like don't want to do too much.
There you go.
I'm short for 392.
Almost. It ticked them. Oh, man.
You're short from where?
That was VWAP.
448.
Nice. I couldn't get in.
VWAP is that
Yeah, I like-
dotted
I like-
line over there.
I like 392.
The way it's playing, it just blew through the 433 that I thought it would hold, but it
I don't know. You are fighting VWAP.
I like anywhere here to 400.
You could press the X now.
And
Stops
still
already
make
at
it?
432.
Yeah. You're at 37, 40. No, the X, the red X. Yep, you're at 77, 80. Click it. You can click
I
it.
think I'm gonna
Oh,
buy
it's
this
gonna
right here.
reverse. Yeah, it's
Can I
gonna
win
reverse.
money?
Oh, it froze on you, didn't it? Oh, what the hell?
I'm not gonna rush to buy. I'm gonna wait, but I'm gonna buy this right here.
Just to let you know,
Yeah.
whatever you make,
There you
your
go.
dad's gonna pay you.
Did I make a little bit of money?
Yep, you made $65.
There you go. You owe him $65, Omnius.
You won your first trade. That was paid. Yeah, that was $65.
Nice. Good job. Good
Look
job.
how easy that is, eh?
I think I'm gonna
Look at that. He
Who
stayed
needs
back
to go to
before
school and
make
learn how to go to?
This
$5. You can't go wrong with that
I'm
one.
gonna see where I want to go.
All right.
Diamond hands. Diamond
He's
hands.
gonna start being sick from school more often. Omnis, be careful.
Hey,
Don't tell him that. He's
Omni
listening
is,
to you.
Omni
No,
is
I
Junior.
got
Uh,
sent you.
Omni is Junior. We're streaming at
I
night. We're
actually can't
co-streaming
hear
at
him
night.
over the music.
Oh, what happened to
Yeah, we got it all. We got music. We got people talking. We jam over here, man. We rock out while we're trading.
I can't come into work. dude.
Well, off of this candle, I think there's gonna be like a very small downtrend.
I gotta stop. You gotta stop pulling the cables.
Damn.
Not the
Same
best
damn-
cable.
Oh. Yeah. I'm not taking
I'm
any
right.
more trades.
I'm going to, what should I do?
Riding the coattails of Omnius Jr.
Mm.
Is there like a 1 minute candle?
You want to go to 1 minute? Oh God, too much noise. We'll try it.
Oh,
That's what they all say.
Hey,
it's so loud. Way too much noise.
It's so loud.
You like the 1 minute?
The
I like it
noise.
going fast.
You like it going fast? Oh God.
Why?
Yeah. Straight down.
Hey,
Take out all that liquidity at 378, 380.
for
I
a
always have an
guy,
idea in my head and I'm just waiting for a candle to go. And then
All right,
boom.
easy. I'm gonna trade on this screen. You trade on that screen.
Okay. I think I'm going to take a.
And if anybody copies your trades and loses, I'm gonna laugh at them because we got
give him,
rules against that.
give him his own sim account. I'm just over here making my butter special breakfast muffins. Hmm.
That sounds good.
Trading my, I'm trading my
sounds good.
funded on Omnius Jr. Seriously, dude. I'm
Crazy.
pumped. And I did it with my daughter too. 'Cause she was like, I
Oh,
bet
yeah.
up or down, and she was
Off
right.
the knowledge I have here, it looked like it's going on a downtrend, but I'm going to wait for like 1 or 2 candles to go before I decide.
You like the 1 minute? You gonna go back to 2 minute?
Not
There
1
it
minute.
is.
He's gonna wait. He's even waiting for candles here. We're waiting.
He's
We're
got
waiting for
patience.
candle confirmation,
Okay.
bro. He's
I
got more
love it.
patience than
The bulls
Omnius
are trying
does.
to get back up.
What's that?
I think the bulls are trying to get back up.
Bulls are coming in.
The
Okay.
Bulls.
Bulls on parade.
Still can't confirm that they're going to win yet.
Okay.
So
What are you looking at over there, little man? You're
Yeah,
looking at
that's-
that ICT. You're looking at those ICT trades right now, huh?
Oh,
The
God,
bulls are
no.
coming in.
We should play the music video, shouldn't we?
No.
Yeah.
Where's the music video? Oh, I don't have the video up there.
Why?
Yeah. Why?
Yeah, it's too much work.
Yeah.
Besides, it's too
Short
heavy for
model.
people. People don't like heavy music. I like that wimpy stuff.
I'm taking a long right here.
On these next 2 candles, it looked like the bulls are trying to get back control.
Wow, nice.
I like
it.
that. I
Well,
like
look a
where we're
minute.
going with this. I like
I might
your
want to go ahead and do like a buy here.
You can
Yeah,
go by
do it.
here.
idea.
No, I
Jump
need to
in.
wait some more before I
Hey,
can.
JC. Love you too. Everybody want to say I love you to my wife?
I love you to my wife.
You want to say hi to Mike's wife?
Sure.
JC. Call her JC. There she is.
JC.
Oh, is it?
JC.
Oh, hey, JC. She is.
And maybe if there's a camera up there, if you wave,
Hey,
there's a
JC.
microphone
I see
here.
you.
You can say, hi,
I
JC.
see you.
Hi,
JC,
JC.
he trades better than his dad and your husband together.
Hold on. Wait.
Listen,
get
if
too
you
big
can't
headed.
speak the
Close the
truth,
stream.
if you can't handle the truth.
Yeah, it looked like
I'm
the
all
bulls are
green. Look at
pushing up
that.
good,
It's
too.
green.
That's
Green,
probably because
green.
Omnius'
And
son
also, I'm
told you
gonna
what
try
to
and
do.
make a trade.
If you take your trade, man, that's your screen. You trade your screen. Don't touch my screen. You touch my screen, we'll
I'm
fight.
loving it.
I did some major copy trading on Bulenox today.
No, just up there. Whatever you want. Yeah.
Let's go, baby. Come
Keep it on your screen.
Come on.
Push.
TP hit.
Push.
Okay, Joker. Don't take offense to my wife because she is French. Look what she wrote.
What'd she write? Hello?
Hello,
boy.
Joker.
Oh boy.
Remember, she's French. She doesn't
much
spell in
I'm
English
losing.
well.
That's your stop
What are you
loss.
talking?
At
Wait
what
a
point do you?
wait a second.
I get you, Ty.
Aren't the Canadian? Wait a second. Aren't the Canadians the one that adds a U to every word that doesn't need a U, like honor?
They say a
yeah,
lot.
that's the English Canadians, but she's French Canadian. She
Oh,
only
okay.
learned to speak English when she was 20 years
And
old.
if you want to,
She
you
didn't
wanna
speak
exit
a word of
early,
English
just
till
press
she was
the X.
20.
Oh.
Yes.
$70 now.
yeah, if you exit now, you're at $70.
Sorry, I didn't hear you. What's your
Actually.
Okay.
I said mail order bride.
mail order bride? Yeah.
We have to stand over.
You guys don't want to know the story.
I told my wife if we ever split up, I'm going mail order, bro. That's the way to go nowadays.
Oh man.
Yeah.
Like I can just tell them to send me a wife, and if I don't like her, I can send her back.
You guys are all gonna groan. I won't get in legal trouble, but I was 27. I met her on her 18th birthday.
That's
Wait,
okay.
how-
I heard.
How low is
Oh
this?
wait, that's.
Wait. Just
So
happened to be the
basically,
18th birthday.
so basically your maturity level aligned
Oh, no,
perfectly.
no,
You
no,
were
no,
Yeah, pretty
40.
much.
Okay, makes sense.
I'll do it again.
Yeah, now you're losing
One
money.
mic. Yeah, she was
No.
out celebrating her birthday, and that's when we met.
A chance to go back up.
That's up to you, man. I don't know. I can't do your trade. You got to trade your own trade.
Okay.
It touches the orange line, you lose. It touches the green line, you win. I even tried to hint that maybe you wanted to exit the trade, but you didn't want to.
Have patience. Your
That's
trade is your
nice.
trade until you tell someone else about it.
Hey, this next
It's funny. I like
candle
that.
better make me some money. Because I'm 90.
Oh,
if this
come on.
candle goes down a little, I'm gone.
All right, fine. It's gonna go. I just try to get back in at
Once you're going to make
4:15.
profit, and I can leave.
I don't know.
Trader's lifestyle.
No,
You
that was my chance.
You can press the X.
4:15 should give us
It went up.
4:40 for sure.
Went up.
Just press the X.
Waiting.
Yeah, we know that feeling.
Wait.
Are you in the long? Are you guys in the long?
There you go. You made what, 15
Should
bucks?
we be?
Actually, I think it was about 30.
You think that was about 30? Okay. I don't really
Yeah.
tell you afterwards, so
You should have held it.
it
You wanna see
literally
that?
ticked his stop loss.
Mm.
He got saved by about a tick. So it come back to break even. He was ready to get out.
But I missed my point. Then it gave me another point.
Oh, I did miss your take profit by a
Oh,
few
no.
points.
Come on,
Well,
boy.
Almost went to take profit. Then it went all the way down to tick the stop loss. And then went right back up to break even. And he's like, just get me out.
All right, guys, we're $90.
I
We're
kept
90
losing
bucks
money,
away.
man.
Ah, well. You up
Oh,
about
Clearing
$100.
Clearing that windfall.
I made about
Uh,
$100 already.
Yeah.
I almost did it just now with
That's
this
not
move, and
bad.
messed
I
up,
nearly
man. I
lost.
didn't get back in.
Mike said whatever you get on the paper account, he's going to send you a check for.
Check.
He said, you got a PayPal?
Do you got a PayPal? Do you have PayPal?
Don't know.
Get
Yeah,
it set
we
up.
need 'em.
Wow, this is so easy.
Get a PayPal
So
set up.
easy, boys. This is
I think it's going up.
so easy.
Trade your trade, man. It's your trade.
So I have to do this to confirm.
Well, you're already in the
Oh,
trade. You
look
just
at
got to
it
set
right
your
there.
take profit.
Let's go.
I'll
baby.
take profit at about there.
Okay, you going to set a stop loss, or you going to be one of those people no stop loss?
Mm.
Guess I'll set it.
There
Like
we
right
go.
here.
I guess I'll see. That's
Don't
right.
want to lose
I
too
like how
much.
you're thinking there.
As
Don't
soon
be
as
like
I
those
set a
people
stop
that
loss,
don't set
decides
stop
I
losses.
want to get to the stop loss.
Those guys that don't set stop losses, they don't know how to trade.
43.
Okay, bro.
They've never had the market shoot 200 points against them.
Always have a stop.
Hey, there you go. And always have a
Yeah.
TP.
There you went.
Always
Now you
have
lost
a
$100.
tournament.
Now you
Let's
back at break
go.
even.
You never know
That
what the
fast.
president might say.
You make it, you lose it that fast.
Never know what the
Oh,
president
yeah.
might say.
This crazy.
Never know what the president might say.
Hmm.
Always
can
have a
say whatever-
stop.
He can say whatever he wants. He don't do nothing.
Always have a stop.
You can't set it that tight, dude. You can't have a 4-point stop. You asking to lose.
I'll teach
He
you
gonna
how
be-
to have. I'll teach you how to have a 4-point stop.
He's gonna be a micro scalper.
No, he's good. 4-point stop on a
Nice.
long right
Move it
now.
up, dude.
That's safe.
Move it up. I'm not asking for much.
There you go. Tell him I'm not asking for too much. Just move it up. That's it. He even knows how to talk to the market. Dude, where do we find this kid?
$10.
$10. All right, you up $10 for the day.
Total? No, he was up 100. I thought you
He
said.
just lost 100.
He lost
okay.
100.
$10.
Then it went right back to where he was. He said it stopped a little bit too close. Come down,
my
got it,
man.
went right back up.
Get back to your patience that you were talking about. Just wait. Don't get into another trade right now. You were doing really good. You're gonna get on tilt like us
I say, wait, I got
older guys.
Hmm.
He's happy. He's like, I still got $10.
I say a way that you trade away. You do some trading on your screen. I'm gonna wait for mine to hit a good spot.
Yeah, you do some trading.
I wish I got this trade right here.
You were talking about it over there. You just didn't take it. You should have took it.
You said the bulls were coming in.
Yeah, you
You-
did.
You called the
Called
drop
it.
way up there. You called the bottom down there. You just didn't take it.
Just would have took that trade. I'll be up like 200, 300.
Now
He's running
sounds like the
numbers.
rest of us.
Took that one trade.
Oh, he's good with
Now,
numbers.
now he sounds like us too.
Should
Ahmed.
have.
Yeah,
said you're
if
running
I only-
numbers. He's excellent with
If
numbers.
only. That's good.
I love it.
I feel
man.
like I'm seeing an uptrend right here.
My son the other day goes to me and his friends. They're like, hey, Mr. John, can
Look
you
like
can you
about to
teach
hit
us
a
how to
up-
trade?
Hmm.
I don't know. I think teaching a kid to trade might be wrong. I think the kid should learn in a neutral environment. Then once they get the basics down, then maybe you could start giving them direction.
I think
Nah,
the child
I'm
needs to
good.
focus on the fundamentals, right? On his education. He doesn't need to
Especially,
focus
like,
on
the
trading
combination.
right now. As they get
Exactly,
older and
like the
become maybe
upgrade.
teens, right? In their 15, 14 even, right? And we're past the fundamental stage. You can start introducing it.
Yeah, but there should be some
Wanna go
guidance.
back
That
to
you know,
five?
don't make the don't make a person learn on his own. They don't know what they don't know. They don't know what to look at.
With-
They don't know
with-
what's true,
with
what's not
guidance.
true. Guidance for sure, man.
I
Otherwise,
gave
you're
him
just making
guidance.
it
I
longer.
said, I gave him guidance. I gave him the most valuable information I could give him. I said, do not start off following ICT.
But you need more than that.
That was great advice.
It is okay, but you
That's
need more
the
than that.
absolute worst advice.
Hey, there's a million ways to skin a cat. Butters,
can
are you
have
getting
it
are you getting ready for your pick? 2 seconds. That's it. 11:45. Give me your pick, Butters. Long or
Uh-oh.
short?
Now you're
I
down
am
$80.
You better
Uh-oh,
believe
isn't-
I am, Butters.
I
I'm
am
Zen
watching
Zen on the
Butters.
algo.
In the red.
Look, what if you draw your little
Short.
trend line right there?
There we are in.
Does that mean I'm gonna go up?
Don't go short. No, I like it. I kind of like it for a setup. Looks like we may be coming into it. But Butters, why don't you look at the chart though, man? Before you
Camila,
pick a
that's right.
direction, try to actually
Yeah.
see if you can identify what we're talking about.
No,
Let's
basically came
do it.
down to VWAP and just been kind of chopping back and forth a little bit. I think we're in the chop area.
Oh, he's already
And
in. He
is
already
this
entered it. Let's
a
go.
trade?
Huh?
Is it in a chop area? Are you supposed to
Butters,
take
pick the
trades or
chat
not?
choice.
It could go back and forth a lot.
Wonder what should I do?
Whatever you think, man. Just look at the candles and see what the candles tell you.
They tell me do not trade or you lose money.
Now you're getting scared already.
Because no
Look at
matter
that.
what,
Or he's identifying being in the middle of a range, right? And we shouldn't be trading in the middle of a
like a
range. Let's get some
30-second
data
candle.
before we jump into a trade. Don't make me jump
Oh
in the
God,
middle.
now you want a 30. I'm not doing a 30-second.
Too much?
Yeah.
Too fast? Okay, do 1 second.
It's just too much data for your dad to comprehend on the 30-second.
I want to see
It
a
moves,
No.
1 second
it
chart.
moves too fast for him.
No, I got a 30-second chart.
Come on,
Not
we should
about
get
moving
paid on that
fast. It's
short.
about
That short should get paid right there.
not comfortable with a
Come
short.
on, Tinking.
What?
There we go.
I like the short. Everything's saying short.
We
That's a
should be
good
taking out the lows right now.
money.
15-second completed the full
How'd you
model,
get
which
out?
is nice. That
Make
gave us a
money.
confirmation.
What'd you
I
make?
like it.
20
Now we
bucks.
just need to see the
20
1 minute
bucks.
setup, which means we
Not
got to
gonna
get
get
a
me to
close
break
below
even now.
some of these
But
OBs to turn them into breakers.
I'm doing
Oh,
like guessing trading.
No, I don't
Yeah,
do
we're going
guessing
for
trading. Look at the chart. See what the chart tells you.
I like the
we're going
charts
for 2
too.
a.m.
So
Yeah, there you go.
what?
We're going for 2 a.m. 312 area. 23 312.
now
I
the
think.
chart telling me I should go up.
No, not yet. Not yet. I think it's
Oh.
going to start turning around right now, actually, man.
You're focusing too much on the individual candles and not what the chart's doing. All right, I'll be back. Uh-oh, what's that, 80?
I mean, this hourly completely
Yes.
rebalanced.
Yep.
Hourly rebound. We may not even be going for the 600 yet.
No, we're going down, baby,
For
down.
stage
Full port? Oh, God.
230, 237.
Might as
He don't-
well.
He don't like his stop loss. You're right, son. Stop loss is the problem. All right, I'll be back.
Back 40 bucks.
Full port.
40 bucks. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah.
Don't break her.
Let's go. Let's go.
Don't break her low.
Hello.
I just doubled down. Hello.
Absolute best spot.
This is gonna push.
All right, I'm in
Whoosh.
long.
No. Don't fade.
I like getting haircuts.
Yeah. I don't like barbers. I like stylists.
I mean, my only thing is that even on the 1 minute, right now, I'm gonna want to see a little lower for data, maybe up to here.
I think futures. Are you muted?
I'm actually gonna close it. I'm gonna wait for the confirmation.
Oh yeah, I was muted. I filmed a short of Butters chat's choice.
Nice.
Oh, cool.
I still want it to come in. I don't need to rush it. So we got potential confirmation in here. I like this. Above, low. It's not a second one. It just tapped in. I want to see it come a little lower before I take the long. Potentially. It could go here, which I'm fine with. If we can close above 472, I know it's a big move already. It's a big push already.
$20.
But 472 with a pullback to 440, I'll enter. I like this
Omnius
level though.
Future is killing it.
20
Look
bucks.
at him.
What you got? You got
Nice.
about 40? 40 negative? I don't
Took a
think
little,
this
took a
one
little,
really
took a little loss
chose you.
there.
That's what I don't like about it. Yeah, would you need it?
Team,
We already kind of swept the
perfect,
bias.
perfect.
Do that again.
Might get wrecked.
Alright.
It's already confirmed. OT. My target is 510. On this move. And I'll let y'all know when I take it.
When we're grown up, our concept of money changes so much that we're no longer content with $40 on a micro.
That's true.
I'm content with 40. What
Another
do you mean?
20
I'm
bucks?
content with 40 on a micro.
So you're down about $10, $15?
I usually close $40 nowadays on a micro instead of holding to my target.
Hey, that's 20 points.
Good
That's
short
good.
setup. Good short setup.
Put all of them.
439.
You want to put all your money in at once? Full port? Kid wants the full port.
Oh boy, now he's really learning the bad habits.
I feel like every trader's got to go through it, right?
Everyone's got to go through it, right? I'm just, you're not wrong, dude.
Yay, 17.
You gotta learn.
Another 17, so you up about break even, maybe $5. Give you about $5.
Long.
Yeah, I broke
Is he long?
even. I'm not
Is
in
he
debt.
short?
no more.
He did a scalp. He was out the trade before I even seen it. Now you're taking my kind of trades there.
What?
Be bold and hold.
I go like-
Strong.
All you have to do is a couple ticks into the trade,
Mm-hmm.
just completely get out of it.
Hmm.
Yeah, but the problem with that is you take one loss and you wiped out all of your gains.
True.
We don't talk about when we lose.
He's already a trader.
We only
Buddy,
talk
but-
about our wins.
There's no 30, but now you have what, about 40?
Full port short. Full port short.
Yeah, I'm
Alert,
saying it's
alert.
short.
Now how quick you get $30 when you're trading. So how do I
Down to
get the money
312.
out?
Y'all are warping my child. He's like, that's how easy it is to make
Don't
40
be so
bucks.
greedy, Woodchip, with the 312s.
How do we
Try
take
to
the
keep
money out?
focus in the 390s.
That guy there, Mike, not the fake Mike, but the real Mike.
Yeah, I see
He
that.
said he was going to send you a check for whatever
Try to
you
keep
make.
focus in the 390s
I have no idea what
until,
it
you know, until we can clear below that 380 range.
Oh, need to go.
Don't get greedy on the entry here.
But if you lose money,
I'm seeing 510. I'm just waiting for a higher time frame
if
setup.
you
I
lose
don't
money,
want
you got to send it to him. How much you got in your piggy bank?
So I've got some data
About
already coming in on the 1
$40?
minute. I like it.
I wouldn't worry about it. Just don't lose. You don't have to worry about it.
Hey, we're talking like traders now.
Trading's not about what you got to do. It's about did you win or did you lose?
Waiting.
No, stop teaching him all the wrong stuff, Omnius. Better cut it out, dude. Trading is about risk
No, it's just go up,
management.
go up.
Man, I'm gonna have a talk with your dad.
Okay.
You know, sometimes you got to be patient.
You always got.
Then you get hurt being patient. So
Well, that's how he started out, and he was winning, killing it.
then he got
all
the
of a sudden-
excitement. Then he got the thrill of it.
You got that. You know what we call that? That's the euphoria kicking in.
Blood started pumping.
Once that euphoria
Oh, no.
kicks in,
He's-
it's no
big
good.
loss.
What was that last thing you
Once
just
you're
said?
right,
That's how easy it is to make $40, $50.
Once you're right a couple times, you're gonna think you can do it over and over, and you can't. You really can't.
Omnis don't trade ICT. You telling me not to trade ICT, or are you asking if I don't trade it?
Oh no. Big red, big red.
Oh, is that quotes? Uh-oh,
Big red.
large red.
We should be seeing a decent red right now. I
He's
don't know
right.
But I'm ready to click it as soon as it's around. And
That'd be
5
crazy
minutes
if we
already
make it down
passed.
below the 370s. We're not even coming up, boys.
No,
That
I mean,
510,
the
that
5 minute
510,
already
we
tapped.
won't even look at it.
No, he's praying. He's going through the stages of grief.
How many stages of grief are there?
5.
I can take a $20 loss.
I'm gonna take it $20. Are we guys? Are we in a short or a long right now? Share the data.
Short.
You're in a short. All right, hold on to it. Hold on. Don't get nervous.
No, he's long.
Oh, he's
Wood
long.
chip's short. Kid's long.
He's long.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
All right. Don't
luck to you.
still don't get nervous. Wood chip's probably gonna get
Put
wrecked.
your-
Where's your stop
Sure,
loss?
15.
No,
You don't want it there? Where do you want it? You
489.
do
I
it.
don't want it.
You don't want stop loss at all. Okay.
15,
Okay.
Whoa,
708.
we're just going full tilt.
I'm just gonna wait until
Bar
it
limit.
gets break even or $20.
I think these are lessons that have to be learned. I think you're doing great.
All right. We're going full tilt.
Yeah, me.
I like it. I like your strategy.
Next, he'll start
We've all
DCA.
We've all done it.
You running? He's running.
So this could be nice on the 1 minute right here. Give me a close down.
Push
Push down a little bit.
Yeah, push. I want to get down to 08. 08.
Yeah, I'd like to
I wanna
see
see
08. That'd
one.
be nice.
I want to see
Hit me
190.
with an 08.
390.
You gotta
390.
dream big.
You said
go.
190. 190. Get out of here. man.
190. What's 190? 08. There
Are
we
you
go.
kidding?
08.
No, I'm joking. I want to see 192.
We are not
Without a
making
doubt.
it.
190.
We lost a bunch of money.
Not yet though.
Oh,
Right now we're looking for the we got the confirmation on the 15-second.
Well, you're on a paper trade
Now,
right
if
now.
I want to take a
Okay,
turtle
no,
strip, I'll
but
be taking it in this range
I
on
hope
the
so.
1
You're
minute.
on a paper trade on my real account.
I'm
So,
gonna anticipate right now. Omnius's little man's about to get paid.
put your
So
buds back in.
we should be closing now above
On DCA, you want to add another one?
440. We should easily take 440 right now. And once we take
Add another one?
440, I
You didn't
want to
want
see
another
where
one?
we stop, preferably like the 470 range, 460.
I'm taking
And then I'm going
profit
to get
as
in
clean.
at 437. I'd like that to turn
Oh,
into the
I see.
50% of the range from here. So that
You're
would
good. I don't care.
be here. So 472. I'd like to see us
Big
pump
red.
up to 472 if this is the low.
Does it need to go up to like here?
That was the high.
I wish there was a paper account. I want to check again.
Make sure he's not
Let
on
him
one of your
do it.
funded, huh? On
That's not
accident?
funded.
do a
That's a
funded.
personal. It's either paper or personal.
Let him
Well,
do a
hopefully it's not a
funded.
personal. Jeez.
So paper is
Not
just
a
like
personal.
At that point, you're both learning lessons.
Yeah. I'd be over here crying, man. I'd be looking like Tory Trades.
All right, little Omnius, we should be getting paid right here.
Nope.
I don't do that. You're going to exit it all.
Wood chips over there just chipping wood.
No, you're going to exit all of it. Look, what we can do is
Chippy.
stop. You're going to ruin it. You can just hit the sell button right here, and that's going to sell out of 5. You don't have to exit all of it.
Hey, little Omnius, we're holding that position until
That's it.
437, right?
And what happens?
If you press the 1, it's just going to, let's see the number 5 beside it.
Yeah.
It's going to sell 5. You're in 10 right now.
Oh, we're about to get paid if he's in
I
with
was
10.
in 10.
Huh?
Nope.
I was in 10,
You was?
but now it's down back to 200.
This trading stuff's hard.
Oh, man, it's not easy, huh?
Just go up the break even.
That's,
Hey, I got my son
Oh, we've
praying.
all heard that one.
yeah, he's in 10.
Well, look, my take profit is here. So close to the line that if it even go above the line
You know,
at all.
do you know why you're
the
saying
take
that? Can you hear me
profit
right
here.
now?
I think you can,
hear
yeah.
him?
You are saying that
No?
because
Hold on. Why you can't hear?
Yep.
Might be this
You
thing.
should be
This-
able to hear him.
yeah, the cable's not that good. It kind of goes in and out. Can you hear him now?
There's a thing.
testing.
Here.
Can you hear
Okay,
yourself?
perfect.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
The main reason you're feeling the way you're feeling right now and you want to close your trade at break even is because you over leveraged. You went in too big.
How much take your take profit?
Almost at take
No,
profit.
you got distracted.
What's
Oh
our
my
entry
God,
over there,
like-
guys? What's our entry for the long?
What was that? 423?
Oh, 423. So we're underwater.
We're sitting on VWAP.
Big time.
10 points.
Getting ready to exit.
For me to take a short, for me to take the long, I want to see us close above 440.
Getting nervous?
Yes.
Moving all around?
Yes.
You
Good trading.
start sweating yet? You start sweating yet?
Start sweating yet?
Nope.
Keep trading will teach you about your emotion.
That's when the nerves really kick in. Play,
Other people have earbuds in also.
All right, so we should be pulling up here.
Believe it or not, it's not a video game, even though it kind of feels like it at times. Not a video.
Oh,
not
it's a video.
game.
It's a video game. Oh, it's a
No,
video
don't
game.
say that.
And I'm on the last level. I keep getting to the boss. I keep getting to the boss battle, but he keeps wrecking me.
It's like too. Oh man, that's like King Koopa talk.
The final boss over here is he's tough. He's tough
King
to
Koopa.
beat.
Holding under
Remember
VWAP.
Mario Brothers?
We may go
You
lower.
just keep hitting the duck. You get extra lives on that one level. You just keep hitting the duck on the before you get to the flagpole. You just keep bouncing on it.
Yeah, you keep
Getting
bouncing
extra
on it.
lives.
There's so many cool glitches in the original Mario.
Your brain is the final
Yeah.
boss.
Let's go, man.
So I want to say somewhere in the range of the 390 zone is where we should be reacting on the 1 minute. It should hold the hourly. Yeah, it'll still hold the hourly. Oof, that hourly closed. Ooh. Oh gosh. You seen that wood chip?
I'm trading it. I'm not
You
just seeing
seen
it.
that?
That was
I
a
want
big reject
190.
on the hourly.
190 is gold.
Hourly is looking heavy. Ish, not really.
I don't know. I don't know if they're taking
542.
trade butters. Or if they're just taking trades or they're just calling trades. I'm not sure.
No, little Omnius was taking some trades.
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't take any trades.
No, I think Butters was asking if you guys were taking trades.
I'm in a
Only
trade.
wood chip, Butters. Only wood chip is
Okay.
always in a trade.
Okay. I deserve that, I guess. But I did take profit $2,000 today.
Yeah, man, that's
Passed
nice.
it.
Congrats, man.
Hey, Skeletor.
I mean, passed
You
it
watching?
twice, to be honest.
Passed it twice. I know, right?
I think.
Seriously, bro.
With their silly rules.
I forgot the icons there. Is that Skeletor? No, it's Ruan.
Yeah, I
And they
just
haven't-
popped in to say hi.
Hey.
Hey, everyone.
Ruin, how you
Hi,
doing?
guys.
Everyone,
I
how you doing?
thanks. Good.
Hey, it's true. I could have switched over to that, but I don't use that one anymore.
A little bit of patience.
Oh, Omnius is chatting again. Hey, Skeletor. Now Skeletor's in.
We spoke of
Hey,
Skeletor
Mike.
and he showed up. Okay.
Yep.
Mike,
I
how's it
manif-
going?
All right.
I manifested. I gotta
We
stop
got a party
Omnius.
going now.
Gotta stop fake Omnius from talking.
Yeah, he
Who's
talks
that?
a lot.
He's moving too much.
Mike, did
Man,
you
that
come
is
in
like-
the
It's
The
crazy
Discord?
how it's crazy how good AI has gotten, man. It's like spitting image. Man.
I don't know what you mean. You talking to me, Omnius?
Mike Stunts?
Is he in the? Yeah, he was in. He was just in. He just popped out. He
Oh,
was
that
in
was
for a
Ruin.
second.
Image, man.
He was in. No, Ruan's in.
Ah.
Skeletor's in, and Mike was in there for a second.
What's up?
No, I'm out and about. He's in and out. Mike's going
I
in
think
and
the kid
out.
ran.
He didn't pay for his internet. He forgot to pay for his internet.
Yeah, I forgot
All right,
to
boys. I'm liking this.
Hey, it's going up. Where'd you go?
watch gold.
Second one.
Wow, 36.29 on gold. Nobody mentioned it. Woo!
Well, it move from here, guys, with a confirmation. 39. I'd love to see a close right now in the 1 minute. 423. 430, 425. Next candle, pull back.
Oh, gotcha.
415. I'll take it.
I think I got $5.
What'd you get? Like $5-10? So what do you got? About $50?
One.
Mike or Butters, what do you guys think about this move in gold on the daily? Take a look at that.
Tell them. So when you gonna get your money?
You guys have been running this,
Normal.
taking these
normal.
trades?
Gold is
Check
gonna
gold.
turn around, Mike. Gold's gonna turn around at around 650.
Look at this strong move, though. You know what? Every time we got above 600, we wicked, and we came right back down. But now it's holding. Let's see if we hold
Yeah,
for
but-
today.
All-time highs. You really gonna try to trade that?
Oh no, of course not. Of course not. Of course not. I'm not. I'm.
640 to 650. We're gonna get a reversal.
Get greedy? Huh?
Why is it the 2?
We will watch.
Go back
And
to the
then,
1
we'll,
minute?
and then we'll look for a setup.
30 seconds.
Yeah.
Oh, let's go, baby.
No, we're not doing 30
Let's go,
seconds.
NQ. Hey, what's your how's your short doing that?
I don't know. I'm looking at gold.
You better go back to NQ.
Hey, Mike, the kid's got some questions for you. Here you go.
Hello.
here. Hello.
No, it's fine.
So
We can't see you. There you go. I can look him in the eyes.
I made $50 on trading. When do I get my money?
I don't know. You know what? You got to give me your address. Your dad won't even give me his phone number yet. Forget the address. I'm lucky I know what state you live in.
Allegedly.
Allegedly.
Hey, I want my money. Do I get it?
He said he's gonna mail you a check.
I don't
But
get
first,
no.
you need to know where to mail it to.
Let me ask you one question. Did you take it on my computer or on your dad's computer?
On my dad's computer.
Well, then we know who. Then we know who owes you. And your dad knows
Wait.
where to mail the check to.
Butters is up 300.
He knows the address of your room.
3 micros. Let's go, Butters.
Up 300 on 3
Only
micros. Way to
Or
go.
do he?
Only 50 points.
All right, good play.
Oh,
First
have a
starting
good day.
gold.
36.
All right, you want to tell bye?
Have a good
Bye,
day.
bye.
Bye.
Have a good day, bud.
Bye.
bud.
See you, man.
Everybody says bye.
Good trading.
So,
I'm short gold to 618, 440.
You're crazy.
40.
He's and this is the guy that literally said, "Yo, you're trading this? You're trading all-time highs?"
We've been stair-stepping higher
shortly.
since 2 in the morning.
And And 2 minutes later,
I'm-
he's in a short.
Well, you
I'm
can set a
shorting
tight
the
stop.
highs.
Yeah, but you don't want to short the highs with no confirmation, bro.
You
There's
got
no
multiple
there's
rejections.
there's nothing saying yo short the highs right now.
The 5-minute says short the highs.
The
Are you kidding
5
me?
minutes says we're coming into the apex of a squeeze and I'm about to give you direction. That's what the 5 minutes says.
Kid said he traded good. Does he get to play on his tablet yet?
Let him play.
Oh man, he's
No,
slick too, huh?
Nope. Can't stay home from school and play on your tablet.
All right, I closed it. I got $16 on the gold. It's good.
That's good.
I'm
Oh,
still in the short on NQ. I switched back. I gotta go to work.
be
Though.
up
I gotta
again.
go to this house. I gotta bail on you guys. I'm way past what I thought I was gonna do, which is what we all do,
Mhm.
trading.
22. Let's see if we can trade
Just
down to
one
15.
more trade, right?
Just one more.
Just one more beer, one more trade.
Yeah, you ever hear the Dane Cook thing? He's like, you could be talking to a woman at a bar and you get fire thrown in your face, and you're like, just one more drink.
Hmm.
It should be expanded to
Just one more
476.
drink. Funny stuff. 476. You're brave.
Not brave, man.
What's the phrase? That's a bold move, Cotton.
Oh,
That's a bold move, Cotton.
listen, I'm a brave guy, man. I'm a real brave guy.
No guts, no glory, right?
I'm about to go to work and get caught up on my murder trial that I've been following.
Oh,
Who
yeah,
got
I remember you
murdered?
telling me about that. Who got murdered?
Omnius, you should know about it. It's your home. You know, it's Florida.
Who did it? What happened?
The Adelsons, the murder for hire, the dentist.
I don't even know about it.
It's a really early confirmation. This is the first confirmation. I'm not gonna get in until we, like I said before, until we get to that 472. When we get to
We're in line.
472, I'm gonna jump in at 436.
So what chip? What's the trial? Who's the person?
434.
Adelson, Adelson, Adelson.
AD?
Yep.
Adelson
ADE.
trial. Yep.
The whole family's going down. It's really sad too. I mean, but I like watching the trials. I like watching how they ask their questions, and yeah, I don't know. For some reason, I'm not like into murder at all, but I just like the way that lawyers approach and how they break
Definitely
down a
don't come to
person.
South Africa then if you're not into it.
What's that?
No, I say definitely don't come to South Africa if you're not into it.
To the murder trials.
Oh man.
I think he's saying there's a lot of murders.
It's the murder capital of the
sorry.
planet.
Yeah, Mike, there was also something earlier today at the beginning of the stream. Sorry to interrupt you just now. That you said we must remind you. You wanted to talk about it. I don't know if it was.
The dark retreat.
On the love seat. You're right. The dark retreat. Mike's
Dark retreat.
on
No,
the
it
love
was just
seat.
what it is you just go into. They have these places where you go into this dark room, pitch black. You don't see obviously you don't see your hand in front of you for 5 days, 7 days, whatever, depending on how long you want to do it. And it's I don't know. It sounds insane. It sounds like something I'd really want to do. I can't imagine what the brain will start to show you. You know, they all talk about how they start to see lights, and I believe it. And it would be something that that I'd want to do. You just take a quick look. Just type in Dark Retreat on YouTube. Watch. There are a lot of short videos, 7 minutes, 8 minutes, 4 minutes. Check out people's experiences. Sounds pretty crazy.
Wow.
Imagine just being in total, absolute darkness. You know, 100% pitch black for like 5 days. You know,
5
you have
days? Oh my God.
Well, 5 days is small. Most of the real, like from what I understood, you should be doing it for 7 days, 10 days, even a month. But that's
I
long.
don't think you'd be able to see when you come out.
But that's crazy. That's got to be a hell of an experience.
You'd have to readjust to the light.
Silent retreats. I've heard of silent retreats.
Yeah. I don't know.
I've heard of the one where they put you in something. My wife was saying she wants to do it, where they put you in something that's complete darkness and you're like floating, levitating.
Yeah, that's just like a salt isolation tank, but you only do that for an hour or a half an hour. This is like 5 days, total darkness. They give you food in a little thing. You know, you have a bed, you have obviously a toilet, you have a bath. But
solitary confinement.
It's like solitary confinement, but in pitch dark.
Is there
Isn't it crazy that that's
So
considered torture?
it's like you're actually, what they say is that your dreams become your reality, and your awake becomes your sleep time, because your awake is total black and your dreams are colorful with conversation and people and things happening, and you know
So that's considered torture, but people do it for a retreat. Isn't that crazy? I want to be tortured for a week. Where do I sign up?
It is. It would be mentally tough, but I would love to do it. I don't know. For me, that's something I would love to do.
Let me know how it goes.
Well, I think the mind is incredible. That's why, you know, like I'd like to see what the brain would do in that case, in that circumstance. What hallucinations you'd start to see. Because I think most people report starting to see, but they just don't see their hands and their feet and the sink in front of them. They start to see other stuff.
Wait, can you do drugs with it?
Blind people.
Yeah, you can ask them, I guess. Might be dangerous, but
I mean, if you could maybe do like some mushrooms or some not LSD, but
I was
what's the
just
other one?
about to say that.
you know what?
Yeah.
I don't know who just
So
said
you
it,
could
but
be in the
yeah.
light.
How is this? Oh, okay. I was going to say, how is this any different than being blind? Yeah, well, no, because you're 100% isolated. Also, you have nothing. You have nothing to do. It's like you know, it's like solitary. It's like being blind in solitary confinement. You don't hear nothing. I mean, you hear your own footsteps and stuff, but you don't hear any other people.
Look, just take you some ecstasy and some LSD.
Yeah, that'll do.
I think you'll be just fine. You'll come back a different person.
Stop promoting that nonsense.
Huh?
Stop promoting that nonsense.
Okay.
Remember, we don't curse on this channel.
Hey,
It's supposed to be kid friendly, man.
Now it doesn't sound so interesting anymore.
Okay, that's true. I was gonna say, in San Francisco, you can pay $150 and go into a place, and after you cross the room and then go through a certain door, you got to take all your clothes off. And
What?
We have to leave it to our
People are-
imagination. We missed too many words there.
doing things, you know?
Yeah, I didn't know if it was just me or what. Like every
I
other
can't
word,
even
like
believe
cut
that.
out.
Yeah, too much cut out. We just got to imagine what you get to do. I know you cross a room and you take your clothes off. Everything
Let's go,
else I
baby.
missed.
Let's
Wood chip,
go.
what is
Full
you talking about
story.
crossing the room and taking your clothes off?
All right, listen, back to trading.
get-
Wood chip,
you
where the
get a
heck
towel
is
if
your
you want
stop loss, bro?
It's like you
What's
cross the
your
room
stop
and you
at,
add
bro?
about that. You
My
take.
stop is 452, and it might get hit.
Yes. It's
What's
gonna
this
get
blue line? London highs, overnight highs. Yep. Are we going back up to that? Bounced off VWAP. Second time.
The VWAPper.
VWAP
VWAP and previous day's close are really holding today.
Algo, baby. Algo.
Algo really reacting at VWAP in previous day's close.
Nah.
How about that? Compromise?
VWAP, listen, VWAP is just an average
All right, I
price.
gotta stop.
I can tell you where VWAP is without putting it on my screen. It's an
Well,
average price of where
It's a
you
measure
know,
of
where-
price, just like anything else.
Yeah,
Yeah, where we've
but
been
price is reacting on it. And the reason why price is
Whether you-
reacting on it is because
whether
it's
you use
self-fulfilling because
a-
people follow it.
Whether you use a VWAP or an EMA or an
It
RS
doesn't react.
fair value gap, it's all the
they're
same.
all just indicators. They're not the same. They're not all the same, but they are just indicators. Not a fair
Well-
value gap. The other ones are indicators.
All right, what makes the fair value gap different? It's a
fair
measure
value-
of momentum, just
no,
like
no,
the
no.
RSI and the
no,
EMA.
No. A
Mm.
fair
No,
value gap
it's a
Uh-oh.
disagreement on price.
a
Uh-oh.
fair value gap. A fair value gap is in price. It's in the price structure, right? A fair value gap is made of 3 candles, right? With 2 candles having a higher wick and a lower wick from the middle candle and leaving a gap. So that's a fair value.
We know
gap
what a
has
fair
to do with
value gap
price
is.
structure, right? A VWAP is just an average of price,
Fair
right?
value.
It's a line that goes on your chart that tells you, oh, here's VWAP, which is just the an average volume, the average price that we've been
Mhm.
trading in. So it's
It's a
big
measurement of
difference.
price and momentum.
Right. But the
Mhm.
fair value gap is within price structure. It's actual candle structure, right? It's not. It has nothing to do with an indicator. A fair value gap is not an indicator.
Well, it is an indicator.
It's not though.
Whether you draw a line
I
or
mean,
something
it's
else plots a line, it's still an indicator.
You're not defining a fair value gap, Joker. Fair value gap is an imbalance, disagreement in price. That's why it's fair value, because it's moving away without any sellers if it's going up, and it's leaving an imbalance behind.
Showing
all it is.
momentum. Mm-hmm.
Not necessarily.
No, not
Go
Not
get him,
necessarily.
Tiger.
You can't have a
It's a-
price jump without a strength of momentum.
It's
Look.
but
Omnis, if you don't
it's a
understand,
disagreement in price. It's a disagreement in price. That's all it is. That's all it is. That's all fair value gap is. Disagreement in price. That's why it's fair value, because it went.
Well, fair
a certain
value is
way.
just a name
Yeah,
that
but
somebody else
that's-
came up
Yeah,
with.
that's just a word
It used to
someone
just be
gave.
called a gap.
that's just what ICT says.
Hmm.
Which listen, I'm gonna jump in right here. I told you, man. I like that he puts out some good info. You ain't gonna catch me drinking the Kool-Aid. So at the end of the day, bro, fair value gap to me, when I'm calling a fair value gap, yes, it's an area of fair value. Yes, we understand that. Hence the word fair value gap. But all a fair value gap to me is an imbalance. Period. That's
Yeah,
all it is.
a gap
It's an
is a gap.
imbalance in price. And whether it's a
And what is
gap,
an
wick.
imbalance in price? Means there's
A
more
wick.
buyers or more sellers than the other, which is also
wick is a
a
gap.
show of momentum.
A wick is a gap, guys. A wick is a gap.
we know that, dude. That's just different time frames. That's why I don't trade fair value gaps.
Exactly.
I don't trade those imbalances, right? I use them perhaps, but I don't
Yeah,
I don't
I hear
think
you.
price is going to respect those levels. I think that's just an ICT terminology that he's putting out there so that his followers can identify certain stuff a certain way that he wants it to be identified. But it doesn't mean Omnis is not wrong that so many other ways of trading and understanding,
Yeah.
different levels with different
Well,
types of
then nobody's
strategies
wrong.
doesn't mean that you're wrong. But again, just to me, what we're discussing when we're talking about indicators, right?
Yeah, but
An
I'd
imbalance in
I like to
price
see how
action.
the price reacts to the gap, not necessarily trade from it or to it.
Right. Exactly. That's what I'm saying. Like for a VWAP, like most people use that indicator to trade it, right? Like they'll trade that indicator.
If you look at gaps and you go into the structure of it on like the footprint chart and stuff, you can see that there's more orders, especially what a gap is more buyers and more sellers taking over without being challenged. That's what creates the gaps. Also, large orders. So if you have a large order indicator up, you'll see that normally plot around the same time as the fair value gap.
Okay. To your point, how many contracts does it take to create a gap on open?
Well,
How many contracts?
I have no idea with how many contracts. I don't think you could judge that because you're balancing contracts,
one.
right? You're saying
Only one. It only takes a buyer and a seller to agree. That's all it takes is one contract to create a gap. That's it. And I mean, that's it.
so. You're saying then the buyer and the seller would have to agree to move the price, say 20 points. I mean, it can happen. It's probably not going to happen in the ES or the NQ, but it could theoretically, yeah.
I mean, I'm just saying at open.
Are you talking about the Globex Open?
Or the New York Open. I mean, it doesn't matter. Because you get a gap in the New York Open from the London session sometimes. So it only takes one contract. It's not volume. It's just someone putting an order in, like the footprint, like what you're talking about. And all those orders can be pulled before it even gets there. And they can agree on one price. And it can just be one contract that agrees. And that's all it
I understand what you're saying, but I'd have to disagree.
All it takes to print a price is one contract.
All right, you guys just went way too far. All I'm saying, all I was getting at was an indicator, right? Versus price action.
Well, it is an indicator. I have an indicator on my chart right now that plots it.
That plots FVGs, you mean, right?
I use the moon as an indicator.
Mm-hmm.
Not being funny.
and the moon. I've mentioned the moon indicator plenty of times. You can have any indicator, any strategy, any indicator. You just got to build a strategy around it. Everybody laughs at the moon indicator until you plot on the chart and like, dang, well, this kind of.
Yeah, Ruan showed me. It looked pretty good.
Yeah. I mean, it's crazy. It's just as accurate as anything else.
Yeah, the coin.
7th of this month, 7th of this month. So let's look from the 5th for bouncing Bitcoin.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, no, I agree.
But Woodchip, I'd have to disagree with you on the price thing. I don't so much think that people move price the way that people think they do. Something like 80% of what moves the market's in options. It's not even in futures. So all of futures, all of NQ, MNQ, ES, MES, QQQ, TQQQ, all that stuff, all of that's roughly about 10 to 15% of the market. So even all that together is barely even going to budge the market. So it's not like they're coming after your stops. They're not coming after you. It's more of what's going on in the options world. All these charts, this is all just a representation of what's already happened. It's not showing what is happening.
I believe that ever since the trading went digital, it is digital and it's completely controlled by a computer program, like Joker says. I completely, absolutely believe that. But
well, it's controlled by programs.
I've been saying that shit for
but the programs are not trading. They're not traders like we are. We're traders, so we think in the terms of traders.
I mean, that's why 90% of traders lose, because
they're not traders
in the way that humans think, not like a computer program.
They're hedging their portfolios. So they're hedging their positions with options, and that's what's moving the market. They're not looking to gain 5, 10 points or 100 points.
I don't know about that, but
I don't believe that. I don't think anybody.
I think the small time frame price sections
options,
from regular trading programs, but I think the overall market sentiment is determined by real buyers and sellers.
It's a computer program. Everybody that's trading the market is either getting wrecked or making money. That's it.
That's what I'm saying. Majority of price movements, not people trading the market.
Whatever you use, you still got to be a trader. You still got to frame a trade. You still got to set your risk profile. You still got to know where your stop is. And you're still going to be right and wrong a certain percentage at the time.
True.
Think about it like this. If I take a buy order right now, if I was trading $100 million, I took a buy order right now. Is that going to move the NQ, the MNQ, the QQQ, the TQQQ, the SPY? Like what's that moving? Because all that moves together.
Yeah, they're all going to move.
It's not gonna do nothing. I mean, look at 8:30. Look at 8:30. That's always the news release for FOM.
It's not going to do anything in that moment, Omnius. It puts it on the book, so the algorithm now reads that there is that much liquidity sitting at that level. So what it'll do is it potentially can speed up the process, meaning it might skip the 1 minute, the 3 minute, and jump straight into the 5 minute, 15-minute model if there was enough liquidity. So yes, in theory, they bunny ears up, they can move the market inside of a range. But all it's going to do is when the algo is already has a predetermined level that it's going to, and that's the next spot that it's going to, it's just going to get there quicker when it has something to draw to. It's not gonna react that much differently though. It still has to stay within a very specific range that no matter what they do, they cannot push the algorithm. They cannot push the computer program outside of that range.
I mean, it's true.
My belief. My belief.
Dude, what I was saying was like, look at the time slot of when the major news release always happens at 8:30. And what happens? And what happens when there's no news at that same time slot? The market still moves with no volume. Volume doesn't mean shit. It's the computer that's doing it.
Yeah, volume doesn't mean nothing.
You can backtest that forever and find out the answer if you really want to, but
I don't even think what I just said is even like, I don't even think that they can move it as much as I even just put out there, right? In terms of the liquidity hitting the market and the algo moving that quickly. I don't even think it can move on a fucking snap of a finger either. I still think it needs to play out the pre-programmed model that it's playing out on those lower time frames, at least to an extent. And then it may skip at some point into a different range, right? Where you'll see it expand through like 3 or 4 fucking breakers straight up. Sorry about the cursing. But
child friendly.
Look, I think it's I think trading is hard. All right.
It really doesn't. It doesn't even matter what you believe because you're fighting yourself in the end.
Right. Exactly. At the end of the day, our battle is not with what the market is doing. Our battle is with our internal emotions. Because whatever you decide to trade, man, and you become, that mechanical trader, you trade your bots, Mike, however I think you trade bots too, Omnius, right? You trade when you put it in and you let it do its thing and it's just doing its thing and you're getting stopped or you're hitting TP. That allows you to eliminate a lot of that human error that will happen in many cases. So,
I mean, if someone could figure it out, they would have, and it would have leaked, and there'd be a lot of people making a lot.
I'm not going to leak it.
I hear your blinker.
There's a lot of people that do. There's a lot of people that you're talking about figuring out a bot or figuring out trading, because there's a lot of people that do really well in trading.
Yeah, sure. I mean,
he's talking about figuring out that 100%.
Oh God, no! That's a myth.
What?
You think somebody's got 100? You think somebody's got 100%?
I'm pretty damn close.
Most people that don't believe there's an algorithm just believe the market's random. And if it was truly random, nobody would win. Like literally, because we're all the same. We fight in our emotions, fear, greed, all the things, right? If it was completely random, nobody would win. I mean, think about it. You'd basically be at a casino. You'd have less edge than you would at a casino. And you don't even have edge at a casino. They have 1.5%.
I don't think the market's random, but I think even if it was random, you could still win, just like a random coin flip. And I think that's the interesting thing about the coin flip experiment, is that if you have even the simplest of strategy, then you could come up with a winning strategy.
I'm not sure.
But I don't think the market's random. I think it's ran more by people using options to hedge their positions. And I think they use algorithms to do that. And they
I think
What's that?
the market is I think the
Not
market
you.
is
I'm
designed.
driving, sorry.
I think the market is designed, boys, to print money for the
Driver, man.
few that really understand what's going on, bro. That's all that it's designed for. And the reality is, in order to do that, in order to print the money and to 100x their money and to find a way to 100x their money, they need idiots, right? What do I mean? I mean, they need your 401k, they need your pension fund, they need all that crap. The market, no matter what, is going to crash. It's done it on repeat. The wars, the news, those are all excuses of the bad move going down. The reality is that once the market, once the algorithm is satisfied on buy side, especially on a higher time frame, which is what we're trading right now, much higher time frame. We got a much higher sell model incoming. All right. When we're trading that, the elites know that. That's how they print. They're out. Now, the system that they created with the pension funds and the 401ks, that's what allowed them to get out and move the market quicker. So when you have your 401k, when you're paying into your 401k every week and your company is matching it, right, every week, the second that 401k money every week hits their financial advisor or whoever is handling that fund, that money goes into the market. So it doesn't matter where the market is sitting, whether it's sitting at all-time highs or it's at all-time lows. The 401ks, your pension funds, right? They're investing every week, which means, what does that allow? What does that create? That creates an exit for the big dogs. It's that simple. In order for the big dogs,
Joker, think about this for a second. Jump in real quick. So you're talking about the 401ks, right? But there's also IRAs and pensions and everything. There's a bunch of them. But
everything, any financial investment institution.
Right. But think about this for a second. Every week people are putting money in, right? Not everybody, but the weekly people. So then you have the bi-weekly people, and they put in every other week.
Correct.
Then you have the monthly people, and they put in once a month.
Correct.
I believe generally the first week of the month.
Correct.
So then think about this. The first week of the month, every one of those people are putting money in, and they're being matched by their employers. So much money is being poured into the market, all in a buy position, but yet all that money still doesn't move the market every month.
Correct.
That's how little effect we have on the market.
It's not designed to move the market. The money is designed.
Hundreds of millions of dollars being poured in the first week of the month, and it still doesn't move the market.
No, because look, bro,
it's all a woozy. It's a woozy. It's a wazzy.
Guys, check it out. This is my belief that the computer program is already going to go down, and these elites, prior to creating these 401ks and these financial institutions, prior to that, they couldn't extract all of their money, right? Because if there's not a way to buy out a position, to sell your position at the highs, you can't get out of your entire position. So what would happen was, right, they would exit 40% of their position because that's all they could at those times. The other 60% is riding to the bottom. So they
most of them don't
exit
exit their positions. They hedge with options.
Bro, they're all exiting their positions, bro. The few that I'm talking about are all exiting their positions.
Actually, every time a CEO or somebody around the CEO exits a position, they have to claim it. So you can go on.
Nobody's denying that they're exiting, bro. They can't. You have to understand that they're not exiting all at once. They exit in increments. They exit in a range. You might look at 1,000.
Right, but they have to get permission to exit. They can't just exit like we do. They have to get permission.
Yeah, you're talking about
can't-
CEOs from hedge funds, from like from certain
if the
companies.
CEO of Apple wants to sell 1 million positions, he has to get permission to sell those positions. He can't just go sell them, and he has to let the people know. They can't just sell out of positions like we do.
Yeah, I mean that's what I was gonna say.
Again,
think a lot bigger. Think a lot bigger, because these big hedge funds that are gonna move lots of money, they're not gonna get filled like we get filled.
Yo,
Right.
you guys, you're not listening to what he just said. They need permission. Do you know why they need permission? Because they're secondary. The people that don't need permission, right, need to make sure that they're out of their position first. If they cannot exit their position and we're at all-time highs, you as the CEO that has a lot of money and a lot of skin in the game, you're not going to be able to exit yours because they're not out yet. It's that simple. It's that simple.
Well, yeah. I mean, they also switched from TP+2 to TP+1 in March last year, I think, where it takes now only 1 day, so the money moves faster. Instead
You talking
of
about
2 days.
settlement? You talking about money settle?
Yeah.
Yeah, somebody else was saying that the other day.
Yep, it's truth. I mean, it's very complex. I don't completely understand it, but I know that.
And at the same time, they lowered the day trader thing, right? Or they're working on it. I don't know. Pattern day trader rule.
Yeah.
Maybe. Yeah, I'm not sure about that.
What'd somebody say? 2,000?
I think it's
So-
5,000.
Is it 5,000? I don't know. It used to be 25, so I don't know.
25. It was 25, and I think
I agree with you, Butters, 100%. Just take your setups, guys, and don't worry about it.
Yep, let's not really care who's doing what in the market, who the elites are that are getting out, if they exist. Maybe it's the aliens. Seriously, at the end of the day, bro, we're just here to get a piece of the pie, bro.
But they're gonna hurt a lot of people. They're gonna get all these new traders in that don't have that 25,000 at the top of the market when they're way overexposed. Kind of seems like a setup, doesn't it?
I don't know if any traders are overexposed compared to the hedge funds that are putting in false orders.
What I'm saying is the whole market, it's way
Selling
overbought.
on top, and then when it gets there,
I don't think we've ever been this overbought before. And they're trying to
RSI.
find
Well,
no, not RSI. You go by the Warren Buffett indicator. You go by GDP. You go by the
it's kind of RSI.
No, RSI is about momentum. It's talking about the price of companies to the price of GDP. And you got companies.
RSI is a joke, to be honest.
And you got companies that are up there with 50 PE when they should be around 20 or 15.
Yeah, they've been saying that for years since COVID.
Right. But historically, over the past 100,
Maybe
200
we'll.
years, I don't think we've ever been this overbought. And it can go on for years. And that's why people have been saying for the past 5, 6, 7 years that we was going to have this huge crash. It can keep going. So finally we get it. That's how bubbles work.
Anything can happen.
We're crashing. 26.
Oh, we are going to crash, but we are going to crash, but it's a matter of when. It could be in 30 years from now.
We are going to crash. There's no doubt about that.
Someone predicted Dow 30,000 when the Dow was at 6,000. Yeah, eventually he was right. It just took 50 years.
26, bro. I'm giving you the date. We're gonna crash sometime around March, between March and October of 26.
That will be the return of
March and October of 26.
You can look at any of the charts and just see that we're way overbought on the charts, way overbought on the PE ratios. Like just so much is so overbought. People think it's going to keep going, but it's not. Because if you're getting in now into the market, what's your return going to be? It's going to be crap. So why would you do it? So less and less people are going to get in to the point that we just crash.
I do agree.
I just hope everybody's short from 64.
I'm still in a short.
Does it have to be a crash? Can it just be a sell-off?
No. The market has to have a crash every so often. Actually, about every 100 years, we get a super crash, and we haven't seen that yet either.
Yes.
It's incoming, boys. They're gonna call it the Greater Depression. That's what I was trying to tell you guys about the program, about the computer program. That's how it's designed, and those that understand it, that can get out at the top, they get out at the
There's
top.
There's actually charts out there to kind of show you when it's supposed to happen. I don't know if I believe it happens exactly when they say it's supposed to, but it's all numbers. Every so many years, you have a minor correction. Every so many years, you have a recession. Every so many, you have a depression.
Correct. That's right, dude. That's right.
On average.
It's all excuses, man. It's on
average. Not
But
really
it
on average.
It doesn't follow
the cycles of the market.
It's just how it goes, Mike. What I'm used to
Yeah,
saying.
but the cycles
of the
aren't
market.
exact all the times. They change. Otherwise, it would
Let me
be
ask
way
you a
too
question.
predictable.
Let me ask you, what happened 100 years ago from now? Give or take. Might have been 90.
Okay, whatever. Yeah, the Great Depression. So,
Okay.
does it mean it has to repeat every 90 years? Who put that in stone? Or every 100 years? Or every 30 years?
It's just market theory. Look up the market cycles. It's not me saying. I'm just telling you what the
Mike, it's how the
market cycles
works. It cannot be avoided. It cannot be avoided. It's the design. That's the design.
You're not going to get an argument out of me with cycles. I mean, I trade Renko bars, assuming that we're going to have a continuation. We're going to have more than one bar. It's going to happen. But you just don't, it's not so predictable. You don't know that every bar is going to be a continuation. You don't know exactly. Yeah, I'm not saying it's not going to happen. Of course we move in cycles.
I don't think anybody.
Of course we oscillate, but it isn't on a calendar.
Was that one guy, Michael Berry, he's so famous for calling the crash? But how many crashes has he called since then that didn't happen?
That didn't, exactly. There's always someone
yelling. How many he called before then that didn't happen? There's always somebody yelling a crash.
The sky is falling, yeah.
Holy crap.
I don't think you can prepare for a crash. I think all you can do is lessen your positions and set money aside and wait for that 50% drop and buy and make a lot of money.
Michael Berry was hating on Bitcoin 2 years ago, and now look where it is.
Look at all those people that hated on Bitcoin. What do they have to say? Bitcoin's changed more lives than anything out there.
Crazy.
It's because Michael Berry got good on the housing crisis. Doesn't mean he's a fucking genius.
No, one call doesn't make you a genius. It's one call is not statistically valid.
He's been right once and wrong 100 times.
Yeah.
But you can always say the market's going to drop. It has to happen at some point.
Mm-hmm.
People can't keep buying companies at a 50 PE ratio. It takes 50 years to be at the value you're paying for it. Would you go out and buy a car right now if I told you, you have to pay the price it's going to be 50 years from now?
Shit, you know what? I'm going to change
not.
Exactly. Even in the real estate market over here, it used to be the homes went for 10 times revenue and you got your money back in about 10 years.
Mm-hmm.
Now it's the revenue is 3% of the price of the building. Are you kidding me? Buildings with $30,000, $40,000 in rental revenue are going for like $900,000. Are you nuts? Who's buying this?
It's all companies, and they're putting up buildings everywhere. There's not even people in them. All over the planet, they're building everywhere. There's all kinds of empty houses, but no people. So what are they going to do when it runs out? They have to do something with all those buildings, all those houses. They got whole cities that don't have people in them.
That's why Biden opened the borders. Fill them up. There you go. You see, Biden knew what he was doing. He was filling up the empty buildings.
Of course, not just the States. It's everywhere. It's Canada, it's the States, China. Russia, everywhere. All these companies are just build to drive up the price of housing. And sooner or later, there's not going to be anybody to buy.
Mm.
Yeah, affordable housing for all the people that got let in, so that
No. They don't want affordable housing. They want to drive up the price of housing because they control it. They drive up the price of it. But the companies are still building. But sooner or later, it's got to drop. When it does, I'm gonna buy another house. I'm gonna buy another car. I'm gonna buy a bunch of stocks. When Bitcoin crashes, when it comes back up, I'm gonna buy some of that. There's immense wealth to be had by those who just sit and wait for a great crash and everybody to dump their stuff. And I'm gonna give y'all a signal. It's gonna be an indicator. I'm gonna give y'all a signal of when to buy. When all the CEOs start jumping off of buildings every day, you start buying.
Does that still happen?
It did in 09. It'll happen. It will. It might be 2025. It might be 2026. It might be 2028.
That's what's messed up, bro. Those are the scapegoats, man.
I don't understand.
Their money is a necessity.
But they still get paid. Look at the Cracker Barrel CEO. Look at the CEO of Disney.
Mike,
Jaguar. Look at all the companies that got ruined, but they're not jumping off buildings. They still get their pay. They still get their bonuses.
That's a different story. They didn't get ruined. They did exactly what they were told to do.
Correct. When something like this happens,
go look up Larry Fink and look what he tells these companies to do, and they will do whatever. That doesn't matter how many of me or yous they make mad. It matters what he thinks and what he tells them to do. And you can go look up and see what he tells them to do.
If you guys think that this is not controlled, if this is not
affordable housing,
100%.
Somebody's talking, but they're breaking up like crazy.
Yeah.
Which is that you?
Yeah.
Yo, wood chip, your potato.
Wood chip's on the far side of the moon.
He might be on a job site and forgot to mute himself.
Yeah, no, he was. I heard his blinker in his car, so he definitely was driving.
All right, so we zoomed out.
Yeah, Butters. Any company that loses BlackRock or any of the other companies like that, they're done for. That's it. Done. Bankruptcy. They can't survive without that. So any company, at least in the S&P, they're going to do whatever BlackRock tells them to do. That's what all your DEI comes from, all your weird, crazy stuff all these companies are doing. And all the DEI stuff that everybody hears about, that was a policy put in place by BlackRock. That's where people miss the point. It's like, go look. You can look all that stuff up. They tell you all of it. BlackRock put out a policy that they would dump any company that did not have DEI.
I remember hearing about that.
What happened exactly after that? Every company started doing DEI.
All right, I kind of like, if we can hold these lows, I kind of like a long from this range.
BlackRock, Vanguard, a couple other companies.
I'm up in Berkeley Hills, but I can hear you guys. Sorry, I'm out for the audio chat. You guys got to talk louder. Wood chip's up in Berkeley Hills. He can't hear us.
He said he can't hear us.
No, he said he can't. You got to scream. You got to talk louder. Wood chip, can you hear us?
You gotta stop it. Wood chip, figure his own shit out. Jeez.
At least we had people to hang out and chat on a day that ain't really done much.
I went in Berkeley Hills.
Right now we're going. If we can hold this level, we're going up to 520.
Oh, he's going to hit another one. 97.
If we can hold this, come on, baby. All right, guys, we need $50, $49.
Daddy needs a new pair of shoes.
Texted me and said, it was tight on the peninsula or something.
What?
I know something about tight,
What does he
naked,
mean by
tight, across the room.
I didn't text him back because I was driving. But
What's that? Mute yourself, man. Nobody cares about your peninsulas.
Yeah, what chip again?
Yeah.
corner by
Yeah,
the
of course.
pink and the
Yeah,
creek
what you
house,
chipping about?
big tie.
Oh, I see what you say.
Just mute him.
That's a phase
You can server mute him, Mike, and then just message him, or I'll message him and tell him that, yo. we
Oh, is
need
he
to
not
do-
talking to us? All right,
No.
No, he's on a job site. We don't want to put his personal business out there. That's
Yeah,
not
yeah,
good.
no, I muted it. You're right.
We're on a stream.
I thought he was talking to us. Like, what about
No, you
Peninsula?
muted him for yourself. You have to server mute him, not just
what?
regular mute. You got to click on his name, server mute.
I don't see that.
More options.
The admin can do that.
Anyways, he's muted. He's muted on your side, muted on my side. Who else is there?
Yeah, no, server mute. He's muted. He's been served. He's been
All right.
server
That might
muted.
And
That
again,
might put him in timeout.
just send him a message, Mike. Let him know that you did that, so that he can message you back, so that you can unmute him when he gets back.
Yeah, because I'll forget.
Exactly, and he won't be able to talk either. So I'll text his phone actually.
Could have just
Maybe
muted
he
him.
can come back and he can just mute himself, so that way he can have his own control.
Yeah, I think mute would have been enough. No. Anyways,
Yeah, I think mute would have been enough.
I don't even know what they are. Server mute, server deafen, disconnect.
Message him and tell him to disconnect.
I think I'm getting off anyways. It's 1 o'clock. My son's coming home from Portugal today.
Well, if you're
And,
gonna get off, unserver mute him so that he doesn't get stuck that way.
Okay, I'll do it. I'll do it as in the last second, just before I get off, guys. I'm going. Thanks for showing up. It was a fun stream. I'm not streaming again tonight. My son's coming home. We're having a supper. Looking forward to seeing him. I'll be streaming tomorrow, 9:15 or earlier. Again, thanks for hanging out. And I don't know if Omnius is sticking around.
I'm going with you.
You're going,
Getting out of
really?
here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
We're going out for
I'll
beers,
go.
right?
Yeah, we're going out for beers. So yeah, it was a good stream. Thanks for showing up, guys. Appreciate it. Really do.
Appreciate everyone.
Don't always say it, but
Everyone, thanks for dropping by, talking with us.
Yeah, guys, thanks for having us here.
Joker?
Allowing us to hang out with you
yeah,
guys
it was fun. It was fun.
on your
Butters,
ultra
Skeletor, I think
private
you're in a meeting.
Skeletor boss.
Skeletor balls for hanging out with us.
Skeletor boss, hit the like button. It's on your desk. It's a big red button. Okay, guys, I'll see you all tomorrow. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.
One tomorrow. Bye.